Okay. Welcome to Job Well Done! I'm Jonathan!
My name is Mamu.
And
Extended
I'm
ganun.
Belle.
And of course, meron tayong isang
Ay.
napakagwapong guest.
Yes.
At saka we are celebrating his success dahil nga naman,
Yes.
katatapos at kakagraduate lang ng kanyang doctorate ba or doctor? Ganun.
Doctorate.
Doctorate.
Yes.
Kasi sabi nung nakita ko sa grammar, keme, bawal daw yung master lang. Hindi ko alam kung tama yun. Hindi ko alam. Walang iba po kundi si Jose!
Tobilo. Ayan.
Thank
you so much.
Benito,
Ayan, palakpakan
yes.
po natin. Ayan, congratulations sa'yo, Jose, ha?
Thank you naman.
Sobrang nakaka-proud ka.
I
Sabi ko,
know.
wow,
Super.
talaga ba? Doctor P, Doctor of Philosophy.
Doctor of Philosophy,
Kaya yung nasa dulo ng pangalan, di ba? May dagdag
diba,
ka na ng letter.
PhD.
May dagdag ka na ng letter dun sa dulo.
Oo.
PhD. Ayan.
Oo.
How do you feel?
I'm still getting used to it because I just finished. I just finished. I just graduated this month.
Mhm.
I finished my degree in March 2024. So I'm still getting used to it, but I'm happy to be done and I'm happy to be starting work related to the research that I've done dun sa PhD ko.
Talaga
Nakaka-proud.
And
na.
thank you for having me.
Oh.
Yes,
I think
of
Of
course.
course.
this is my
Oh.
first guesting.
After
proud.
getting your
Yeah.
PhD degree.
Exactly.
Yes.
Of course,
Guesting
and
agad.
this is really timely kasi we are celebrating our Pride Month also. And you are
Exactly.
talagang proudest moment ng mga
Isa sa
community
mga
natin
kapatid.
yan.
Yes,
Of course,
isa
di
sa
ba?
mga kapatid
Lahat
member.
ng bagay na dapat ika-proud ay naandito lang din naman sa mga community namin. Charing.
Totoo yan.
Oh, hindi,
Totoo
karamihan
yan.
naman.
Ay,
Oo, karamihan
oo.
naman. Oo, kasi
Gone
tala-
is those days na, di ba, salot.
Oo, ngayon hindi,
wala nang
professional.
ganon, yes.
Paganyan talaga.
From fashion to health issue, di ba?
Oo.
Talagang kayo talaga yung
So once again, welcome po for tuning in to our Job Well Done podcast talk show. And sa lahat
Yes.
po ng mga nakatutok, I know it's a busy day sa mga taga Edmonton kasi alam mo naman ang Oilers, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi mo mapipigilan. Pero congratulations. Anong score na, Mamo?
3-0 in favor of Oilers.
Ayan!
Go, go,
Go,
go,
Oilers, go!
Second period, so let's hope na ma-maintain nila yung kanilang momentum.
Yan. At sa mga avid fan po ng mga Oilers natin dyan, congratulations and good luck sa inyo.
Yes.
Ipagdasal nyo po na talagang ma-shoot ang pack.
Sabi nga sa Chinese, kayaw. Ayan, kayaw.
kayaw.
Oilers. So, just like, go
Wow.
Oilers.
Ayan, and of course, we are proud to be a media partner of upcoming show ng dito sa Noodle House, sila
Yes.
TJ and
And Alan, yan, Alan.
si Alan. Meron po silang videoke, opening ng videoke nila ngayon.
With Joe, yeah, with Josephine Lascelles.
So, kung gusto niyo pong pumunta mamaya po, pagkatapos ng Oilers, or doon na kayo
Yes.
manood, baka naman
Oo.
nag-open sila ng Oilers
Oo.
doon, ano?
Meron yun.
Oo, mayroon po tayong videoke and karaoke
And
doon sa
comedy, yeah.
Noodle 42.
Yes.
Ayan. So search nyo lang po kung ano nasa ng Noodle 42 sa kanilang Facebook pages.
Yes.
And of course, we are also a media partner of Himig, Gabi ng Musika.
Ayan, nako.
So ito yung mga local artists naman.
Yes.
Oo.
Sino-sino ba yung mga kasali dito?
Marami
Abel?
sila eh. Andiyan si Angelica de la Cruz. Ayan si Kitos.
Si
Ayan,
Kitos.
si JR Colobong, I think. And then ang host nila ay si Bench.
Si Ben.
And marami pa silang iba. Si Nathan, kasama din.
Oo, no.
Ibang
Alam mo,
Nathan hindi si Nathan.
hindi yun.
Oo,
Ay,
hindi
nako,
yun.
wala na dito yun.
Satan yun.
Nagtatago na yun. Ayun ang hindi nakaka-proud. Charing.
Diyos lang yun
O, just lang po,
Oo, yan.
Oo, may masabi lang.
Tapos meron pa yung,
ayan.
ito, i-promote lang namin yung mga shows ng mga local producer and local artists.
Yes.
No, not local artists, but artists from the Philippines.
Yan.
So, yung August 31 sa Union Hall, yung OPM Rewind, August 31st yan, with the lead vocalist of Color It Red, Orient Pearl, After Image, Prettier Than Pink, Rizal Underground, and I Axe. Again,
Ay.
October 31st. And then July 2, we have Gilas Legend Basketball versus yung mga basketball player ng Gilas Filipinas.
Oh, wow.
Versus yung mga players ng Edmonton.
Yes.
And then, meron pa rin yung, ang dami ngayong summer.
dami,
Oh,
sobra.
Totoo lang.
Oo.
July, si Didong. Gusto mo yan.
Ay,
alam
gusto
mo
ko yan.
July 14, Didong. Say hi to Didong.
Hi,
naman.
Dito.
July 14,
Mag-guess yan dito,
2024.
ha?
Ay,
Yes.
sige.
Oo.
Yan natin yan. Dito si Didong.
Yes.
Sige.
Tapos, of course, yung mamaya nga, yung sa Noodle 42. And then, Sun Kiss Lola on July 13, Saturday. at Union Hall, and of course July 26.
26 ang ating nag-iisang si Luke
Si
Mijares.
Luke Mijares.
Sa Palabok
At mag-guest
House.
din siya dito.
Oh,
Ayun.
talaga.
Kinukumit na natin, di ba?
Ang dami na nila mag-guess.
Oo,
Ay,
nakakatuwa
panoodin nyo
naman.
kasi yung mga guest artist namin, hindi lang sila mag-guest artist, may collab sila.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
May prod sila with.
Ang
Tama.
babait na ng mga artista
Totoo.
ngayon.
At saka first time na gagawin yon. Usually yung mga guest artist is front act.
Yes.
Yeah.
First time natin gagawin na
Yeah.
meron silang act together with
Oh.
Yes. Talaga may production.
para maiba naman.
May iba naman.
Tsaka talagang it's
Yes.
about time din na makikolab sila sa mga local
Oo.
artists ng Edmonton, di ba?
Kasi talented naman din yung mga local
Alam
natin
mo
dito.
yan.
Yes,
Diba?
that's the reason why.
Yes.
Yes, at
Pinupush
dahil
ko to.
dyan, ang programang ito naging posible dahil sa ating mga major sponsors,
Yes!
sa ating major sponsor, Easy Drive.
Ayan. Ang walang sawang
Walang sawang sumusuporta. Ang Easy Drive po ay taga Sherwood Park sila,
Yes.
no?
Oo.
They are giving opportunity sa mga hindi po pa kulang ang mga finances nila.
Yes.
They can support you buying your dream cars and
Yes.
dream RVs na
Leisure
ganyan.
cars,
Mga
yes.
leisure cars. Sila po ang kontakin nyo para sa inyong mga needs sa lahat ng klaseng sasakyan actually.
Yes.
No? Pero they specializes yung mga RV natin dyan.
Tama.
Oo. Ayan. So once again, they can talk in English, in Spanish, and in
Tagalog.
Filipino. Yan.
Yes.
Thank you, Easy
Easy
Drive
Drive.
Financing.
Next, of course, we have UMAC. Express Cargo by Homer Leasing. Ayan. So, sabi nga namin lagi na kung gusto nyo ma-secure yung mga boxes nyo going to Philippines, mag-UMAC na kayo. Kasi nga, wala silang third party doon sa Pilipinas. It directly send to your loved ones sa
So,
Pilipinas.
from Canada up until sa Philippines is
Yeah.
dealing with same company.
Yes.
Ay.
Walang third party. And meron silang bonus boxes. When you send two
two.
boxes, you have half box free.
Free.
Ayan.
Madami-dami na rin yan.
Ay,
Chocolates.
oo.
Oo.
Totoo.
Kung mga 80 kilos sa chocolate, di ko lang
Di ba nga?
saan mo dadalhin yun.
Oy,
eh.
oy,
Oo.
mga
bobo.
And of course, we have 805 Production.
Yan, with
Ayan, ito
Tina
na yung
and
sinasabi
Oliver.
natin.
Yes, Tina and Oliver de la Paz, of course, ang ating good producer ng mga local concert and artists from Philippines.
Ayan.
Yes.
At isa na nga lang si Luke na mag-show ngayon
Yes.
dito sa Palabok House on...
July 26 with $70, including buffet dinner. Ayan,
Oo,
bilhin mo, guys.
intimate na yan ha. Kasi
Nagkakaubusan na ng ticket kaya.
Actually, almost
wala na.
almost sold
Halos
out
wala
na po
na.
tayo.
Oo.
Kasi maliit lang yung venue natin. But, baka may part 2.
Oh, why
Ay,
not,
diba?
diba?
Naku,
Oo,
exciting yan.
totoo naman
Oo,
yan.
oo.
And of course, we have the Behind the Bar.
Yes, ayan. O, yan. Pag may mga events kayo, party, debut, wedding, if you, less stress, kumbaga, yung kanilang
Oo,
ino-offer
kasi ipiprepare
dyan.
mo pa yan para sa mga bisita mo.
Yes.
Mag-hire ka na lang ng mga private bars na pwedeng maghain ng iba't ibang cocktails and mocktails
Yes.
ng drinks ninyo.
Yeah, with Janice and Brad. Thank you so much, both of you.
At namomonitor mo pa kung lasing na ba ang mga
Oo.
guests mo or
Pag
hindi.
lasing-
Kasi ito ang hirap, di ba?
Alam mo yan.
Sabi nila, pag may okasyon ka, dapat mo-monitor mo kung nalalasing na ba o
Oo.
hindi. Sila po, pag lasing na, bibigyan pa din.
Yes.
Tuloy-
Bibigyan
Tuloy-tuloy
na.
ang tuloy ang
Oo.
ligaya.
Ng juice lang
Na
naman.
may kasama yung Picas and Oil.
Yan. Akala ko talaga yung drink sa kulay green. Sabi ko, ano pang haplas ba to? Ano
Ay,
tawag doon?
Jagermaster.
Yeah.
Yes,
Jagerbomb.
Jager-
Ah, yun,
Jagerbomb,
Diyos ko, sabi ko,
yes.
pang haplas ba to? Ba't nandito sa lagay ng
Yes.
Sabi niya, hindi. Ano ba yan?
At saka kasi yung niya, scent niya eh. May
Oo,
ganun.
iba
may
eh,
ganun
iba.
talaga.
Oo,
And of
pero
course,
masarap talaga.
Ang ating unique giveaways by
Ayan.
Carla. Ayan. Maraming salamat din sa support. Ito, anong may na-offer nila?
Ang unique giveaway, sila yung mga, alam mo, ito mga perfumes to eh.
Yes.
Usually ginagamit ko to everyday sa work kasi alam mo nag-work tayo sa
tama.
industrial
Oo.
job.
At
Minsan
saka kasi
nag-aamoy.
mabaho ka eh.
Amoy
So,
bakal.
totoo lang naman.
Amoy bakal ka daw eh.
Oo, pag uwi ko, para akong amoy bakal talaga. Pag nag-spray ka na, at least malesen man lang yung
Yes.
ano mo, di ba?
Amoy mo.
Oo,
Amoy
kaya
Amoy baktol.
hindi naman, yung makatrabaho ko.
Grabe na. Uy, grabe.
Ano siya?
Ba't anong lahi? Uy!
Sobra tayo.
Grabe tayo.
Ayan.
Ayan,
And then,
yeah,
so,
unique
unique giveaways.
giveaways.
Sila po yung mga nagbibigay po ng mga scents sa
Yes.
inyong event. So, might as well hire them kasi iba rin po naman yung mga giveaways na
Very
yan.
unique din talaga.
Kasi
yung
mag-isip pa kayo ng ibang giveaways na
Yes.
minsan hindi rin naman napapakinabangan.
Oo, tinatapon
Ako
mo.
sa
Saka
totoo lang.
meron din sila mga personalized. Hindi lang
Yes.
yung perfume.
Oo,
Personalized na
oo,
mga
oo.
giveaways.
Giveaways.
Oo.
Anything about giveaways.
Very
Oo.
affordable din kasi.
Pwede po nilang i-cater yan sa inyo
Tama.
po.
Mm.
So once again, Carla, thank you so much for helping our
Unique giveaways.
giveaways.
Ayan.
Yum.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
thank
much,
you.
Carla.
So, okay na tayo dyan.
Yes, okay na
Oo.
tayo.
Teka muna, gusto ko munang puntahan yung kay ano nangyari kay Harry Roque. Nabalitaan nyo ba yun?
Babae na siya.
Babae na ba?
Oo.
May tatalo na kay Bibi Gandang Hari?
Ay, hindi lang ni.
Ay, talaga ba?
Mr. Supranational Andinate. O, saan ka
No
pa?
way.
Chismisan talaga. Alam mo ba to, Jose? Hindi.
Hindi siya well-versed sa mga
Oo.
politics sa Philippines.
Oo.
Nag-exam siya eh. Ayan. Okay.
Pero nakita ko lang naman,
Oo.
sabi nga ng ibang comment doon, parang nawala yung credibility ni Harry Roque as,
Tama.
ano yun, ano siya dati ni Duterte?
Spokesperson.
Spokesperson. Parang medyo na lesser.
Ako
Though,
naman,
Which
happy
is
ako sa
mali.
kanya. Ako
Oo.
happy ako sa kanya kung
Oo.
yun yung siya eh, di ba?
Oo naman.
Late lang bloomer siya. So,
Oo. Mali naman na i-judge natin
alam mo
siya.
naman sa atin sa Pilipinas, umitim ka lang ng konti, ulikbaka na, di ba?
Diba?
Ang mga ewan ko ba sa mga dyan.
true.
Tama.
But
Pero-
anyway, di ba, we're happy for him kasi nga ngayon lang sa tagal ng panahon na naging spokesperson siya ng ating presidente noon ni Duterte. Parang ngayon lang siya nag-out ng ganito.
Yes.
At syempre, na-expose siya dahil may social media.
Oo.
So malaki din talaga ang kaganapan ng social media.
Pero mapalola mo, no?
Pero natuwa ako doon.
Naloka ako kay Peter Griffin.
Oo, may pag ganun talaga pasarela siya talaga.
Oo.
no?
Oo,
Nakakatuwa to
kaloka.
si...
At saka may shawl.
Oo nga.
Ay, meron ba?
Oo.
Ay, may pasyol. Ayan.
Ayan. So, I think it's about time kasi medyo gusto kong umpisahan tong topic na to kasi medyo mahaba ito.
Very profound nga daw yung topic. Kaya kailangan nating ano...
Oo, in celebration of our Pride Month, gusto nating matouch din itong awareness sa
Yes.
ating magiging topic ngayon at maliwanagan yung mga tao kung bakit ba kailangan nating pag-usapan, kailangan nating alamin at kung bakit kailangan nating bigyan ng diin itong
Yeah.
magiging topic natin
Kasi
ngayon.
nagiging stereotype din eh. Pag nalaman ng tao, parang, anak ng toko, mamamatay na to. Ganun,
Oo,
parang ganun, di ba?
oo, parang ewan ko ba, mamaya pag-uusapan
Oo,
natin yan.
oo.
But anyway, so once again, ito po ang ating magiging topic ngayon is sexuality and HIV. Ayan.
Wow.
At of course, meron tayong panauhin. Sinabi nga po namin na kanina, katatapos lang po ng kanyang
Oo,
doctorate. Ang
Yes.
sarap, no?
I know.
So with this topic, meron kami nga in-invite na authority.
Oo. Hindi kami, kasi minsan nasabihin tayo, wala tayong authority. Minsan kasi pag,
Naka-question
sabi
eh.
ko nga, opinion lang naman po.
Yes, correct.
Kaya kami may disclaimer.
Oo.
Correct. Oh. Huwag nyo kaming questionin.
Oo.
Tao lang din naman kami.
Wow, galit.
Wow.
Opinion lang namin yun. Ayan.
Yan. So once again, we have a visitor, Dr. Jose Tuvilio.
Ayan.
Palakpakan po
Once
natin.
again.
Kaka-proud to.
Oo.
Oo.
Dati nakikita ko lang to sa gilid na uhugin eh. Ngayon, doktor na.
Di ba nga?
Hindi, ang dami nitong ganap na batang to eh. Kaya
Oo.
sabi ko noon, bakit nawala siya dun sa sports noon?
Oo.
Nagpahinga pala kasi nga,
Busy
nagtitake
talaga.
pala siya ng doctorate. Pero tinan mo naman, once in a while, nagbabasketball, nagbavolleyball, at
Oo.
ngayon, iba na yatang sports mo. Anong sports mo ngayon?
I'm trying badminton now.
Yan.
Wow!
O, di ba? Sabi-
Member ni Chris? Member sila?
Yes.
Ay,
Member
taray.
yata sa anong member nyo group
Oh,
nyo?
Nyo.
AUBC. So hello everyone from AUBC.
Ayan, sa mga taga AUBC, shoutout sa inyo.
Lahat. Ayan.
Tanungin ko lang, Jose, kailan ka nag-start kumuha ng anong course mo ulit?
So I did nursing,
Mm-mm.
is my undergrad, and then after my nursing, I went to. So I can tell you more about this kapag later.
Mm-mm.
Pero yeah, so my program, my course is nursing.
Mhm.
So
And
where,
then
where,
my-
where did you take your nursing, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, so my journey is, so nursing really was not my dream.
Mhm.
After high school, I kind of didn't know what I want to do. And so my mom was here na dito sa Edmonton.
Mhm.
And then sabi niya, oh, you go to nursing kasi when you become a
Paano yung
nurse.
Edmonton? Ang ganda niya sabi, go.
Oo nga
Go, go
eh.
ahead.
Gusto ko din pumasok sa
So,
university.
Edmonton.
Oh, speaking of Edmonton,
Oh,
Edmonton,
Sarap.
I wanna do a quick line acknowledgement.
Sige.
So this one's the University of Alberta version of line acknowledgement,
Yeah.
where I did my PhD.
Mhm.
And I just want to recognize and acknowledge that I will be sharing my stories today. I'll be talking about HIV and sexuality and pride today from Edmonton, Alberta, where we all are, and that we are located on Treaty 6 territory, a traditional gathering place for diverse Indigenous people,
Mhm.
including the Cree, Blackfoot, Métis, Nakota Sioux, Iroquois, Dene, Ojibwe, Saulteaux, Anishinaabe, Inuit, and many others, whose histories, languages, and cultures continue to influence our vibrant community. Thank you.
Mhm.
Ay,
Sa mga
ang sarap
concert ko.
pakinggan.
Oo nga, ba't
Parang-
ganun?
Parang,
Sa mga concert ko naririnig
oo
yan eh.
nga, yung mga ganyan. Diyos me.
He just gave us a little backgrounder on where we're from, like where we
Yes.
are right
Exactly.
now.
Oo.
I think
Pero
it's-
gusto ko lang din malaman, di ba? Kasi narinig ko lang din yan sa mga shows. Let's say mga pupunta dito, like for example, yung Madrigal. Binanggit din yan.
Yeah.
Why do we do that? Can you just explain to me? Kasi hindi ko rin siya
I
alam.
think it's important to do land acknowledgement. So we all know that Canada, we have our Indigenous brothers and sisters, and they are the ones who lived here first. So these are their home, and for us, for me, I say that we are borrowing the land from them. So this is their land, and so we want to acknowledge. I don't know if you guys have heard yung truth and reconciliation. So that this is part of
Yes.
that too.
Yes.
And I think there is a need to be more aware and acknowledge our Indigenous brothers
I
and
see.
sisters. So this is just a mga way to do this or to acknowledge our Indigenous brothers and sisters through land acknowledgement.
O, di ba nga?
Nice.
Yeah.
So,
So-
dapat
Iba
lang
talaga
din
pag nag-aaral ka na sa university, nalalaman mo yung mga ganyang bagay.
Yes,
Kasi
oo.
ako, komportable na ako sa bahay din kasi.
Di ba nga eh?
Hindi ko alam yung mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Pero that's good to know
Yeah.
that we really have to acknowledge this land because we are really migrants in this land. talaga.
Exactly.
Tama.
And I think like speaking of acknowledgement, diba, like we are going to talk about different things na hindi na acknowledged before. So I think it's good to start it this
Yeah.
way.
True, true.
Tama.
Like even the
HIV,
Pope when
yeah,
he came
diba?
in, the current Pope,
Oh,
he did
Francis?
Fran-
Pope
no,
Pope Francis.
Francis ba?
Nagpunta na ba siya dito?
Yeah,
Ah, oo
last
nga,
year.
oo nga,
Last year
oo
lang,
nga,
last
siya.
year.
Yeah, so he acknowledged it, and he also asked for forgiveness
Yeah.
for what happened
Yeah.
sa mga indigenous.
Yeah.
So siya
Exactly.
mismo in-acknowledge
I
niya.
see.
Yeah.
So going back to your school now.
Yes.
Gusto ko lang malaman, what was your first, nag-aral ka dito, what was your first experience nung, let's say, kasi iba naman kultura natin sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas,
Yeah.
ano?
Mhm.
Kumbaga, how's the language barrier happening in the university?
Yes, that's a good question. So again, to go back to what I was saying kanina, just background lang how I started
Yeah,
nursing.
exactly.
Diba? So again, my mom told me oh, kapag nakarating ka ng Canada, you will have a good job, you will have a good
Yes.
future kasi like there's a lot of nurses. So from what she saw, kasi my mom was here first. She
Oh,
was
okay.
she came to Edmonton noong 2006 as a caregiver, and I think some of you has done that journey as well.
Yes.
Yeah, kami.
Kaming dalawa, yeah.
So, amazing caregivers, all respects, because my
Yeah.
mom is one of them.
Yeah.
Tapos 2010 when we moved here.
Okay.
So I graduated high school. So I did go to nursing, and then I'll support you sa studies mo.
Yeah.
So I went to nursing I actually did nursing in the Philippines muna.
Okay.
Pamantasan ng lungsod ng
How old are
Manila.
you when you moved in here?
I was 19.
Okay.
Yeah,
oh,
so I was pretty
okay.
old
Oo,
already.
college
so
na
yeah,
talaga.
So and then we moved here in 2010, and then unfortunately when I tried to go back to university here, they didn't
Recognize?
my schooling
Credentials.
sa Manila.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So my first option initially was to go back sa Philippines, but then
Para mag-aral ulit?
Hindi,
Just
para
finish it.
Continue,
finish it.
continue.
Ah, okay.
Finish it, yeah.
Because I was already third year
Yes,
university
just to-
sa
yeah.
PLM.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna stay here. And then I started working as well. And then yeah, I'm just gonna stay here and then start again. Kasi sabi nila, wala akong grade 11, grade 12 that time kasi wala pang K-12.
Wala pa
Oo,
naman nun,
Wala pa
oo.
tayo nun. Yeah.
So instead of, going back to high school, which my brother did, nag-university na ako right away.
Oh.
Yeah, so I went to McEwan University here in Edmonton as well. So
For
that
what
was
course?
Nursing.
May nursing pala sa McEwan. Okay. I didn't
Yeah.
know that.
So I went nursing at McEwan University. I started 2011. So I worked for a year first after namin mag-move dito
I
para I
see.
can support. So that's one of the big difference
Yeah.
in the
Oo,
Philippines.
oo.
Your parents are some family will
Yeah.
support you.
Provided
But
everything.
dito,
yeah.
like you have
yeah.
to work for yourself,
Yourself.
which is great.
Exactly.
Then they
Yeah.
have student loan that you have to you can get. But now I think there's more like working students. So kudos to the working students in the Philippines
Yeah.
as well, because I know it's hard. So yun, I went to nursing sa McEwan and then graduated in 2015.
Oh.
Yeah, but I always in the back of my head, I never really wanted to be a nurse.
So anong first choice mo dapat?
I thought about
Kabadlona.
Midwife.
midwife. No, I thought about like law or dentistry kasi one of my
okay.
titas is a dentist pero it was expensive and I know we couldn't afford it. And so I just went to nursing. I was like, you know what, it's a good job. But I always wanted to be a teacher. So yun talaga, teaching is one of my
Ikaw din, di ba
dream.
parang gusto mo rin maging nurse, pero ang kinuha mo pasyente, naging pasyente ka ba?
Oh, humiga na lang si oh my God, di ko kaya.
Yeah, so teaching has always been my dream. And then na-realize ko when I was in nursing school na, you can go to grad school pala, you can take your master's,
Oh, okay.
and then you can teach. Kasi before I thought, dapat education to teach. So you can take your master's and then you can teach. And so that's always been my goal. So
okay.
I graduated in 2015 and then I work in emergency here at Royal Alex Hospital. So I've been an emergency nurse for 9 years now, almost 10. And after 2 years, 2017, I was like, okay, it's time. So it's time to go back to school and follow my dreams naman.
Nice.
I
Pero
made my
nag-aaral
mom
ka sa
happy na.
school, nagtatrabaho ka pa rin nun?
Yeah, throughout. So since we got
Wow.
here ng May 2010
You never stop.
and I started working ng June 2010 and I never stopped
Oh
since
my
then.
wow.
Even during school.
Mhm.
And I think that's one of the great things as well kasi
Exactly.
you, diba, like you
Yeah.
can and to support
Yung
myself.
responsibility mo hindi nawawala sa sarili mo at sa
Yes,
pamilya mo.
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so I did that. And then I went for my master's nung 2017.
Okay, so cut muna kita doon.
Mhm.
Mamaya tayo sa masters,
Yes.
di ba? Okay.
Ang dami.
Gusto
Oo,
ko lang
ang dami.
gusto ko lang
Yes.
malaman yung experience mo sa pagtatrabaho mo dito sa hospital. Anong
Yeah,
hospital
how
ka
is it?
nagtrabaho?
It's Royal Alex Hospital, sa downtown.
So how was it
Emergency.
working? How was it working in the emergency here in Canada?
Yeah.
I don't know if you experienced that in the Philippines though, but pero alam natin medyo mahirap din talaga sa Philippines, kulang din naman talaga.
Yeah.
Pero how was it working here in Canada as a emergency
How's the
nurse?
dynamic?
Oo.
Just like with the dynamic, is it still kind of waiting? I know the waiting here is really sucks.
No, I don't really have a lot na mag-compare for
Yeah.
Philippines
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Canada, right? But I had one clinical doon sa Philippines,
Mhm.
and I would say it's better here because our healthcare
Yeah.
kasi is
In
Covered.
terms of,
are
yeah,
covered,
in terms of services,
so
yeah.
we don't have to worry about that. In the Philippines kasi like, I'm
You need money
feeling something
first,
pero
yes.
wala akong
Yeah.
pera, so
Yeah.
we're not gonna go,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
So I think here it's better,
Yeah.
and hopefully like things in the Philippines will be better as well. Like their healthcare is gonna be better.
Mhm.
And then here we have a lot of services. Then like
Yeah.
if you need, let's say, obstetrics, if you need surgery, nandun sila lahat.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, I think we need those
Yeah.
services. Pero isipin mo agad is the
Yeah,
pera again.
exactly.
Diba?
Yeah.
So
That's a little bit background of during sa nursing mo and then sa hospital. Gusto ko lang balikan din ulit yung unang tanong ko dun sa
Yes.
school mo
Sa school
naman.
naman.
Okay, kasi gusto ko lang malaman kasi curious ako eh. Never akong
Yes.
naka-step in sa mga schools dito and makihalubilo sa iba't ibang kultura. And how was it like studying here with different cultures,
Yes.
your language? Paano yun? Parang, how do they catch up for all, like, the professors sa mga students na nandun na iba't ibang lahi din? Parang.
Yeah, so that's one of the biggest adjustments, and that's the reason why I didn't go to school right away, because I was scared. And then when I went to school, so the difference, one of the biggest, syempre yung English, right?
Yeah.
So I don't
You got
talk.
intimidated
I don't
or
talk
what?
like this
Yeah.
before. I don't have, like I was like,
Confidence is not there yet.
Oh,
yeah.
it's not there
Yeah,
yet.
yeah.
So, and then I don't have friends too, and that's one of the things that I was jealous about sa mga kapatid ko because
you?
they went to high school
Aw.
here sa Edmonton, so they have friends na mga immigrants
Ah,
then,
okay.
and then so for me because I went directly to university, I was already
Yes.
20. All of my friends are nasa Philippines, and that time, so I never made kasi I didn't go to school, I was just working.
Yeah.
So most of my friends are from work
Wow.
lang,
Yeah.
pero not yung mga kaedad ko. So I think English was one of the biggest.
I can just imagine what you're going through at the time. Kasi first and foremost, are you out at that time?
No, and we can talk about that a little bit.
Oh,
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. So can you imagine like trying to
Yes.
No, you
identify?
can always. You
Yeah,
can
Yes.
ask
trying to
this.
identify
Yes.
with
Yeah, that's one thing
the
too.
culture,
Yeah.
and then
Yourself.
try to find yourself.
Yes,
try
and try
know
to
yourself.
fit in as
Oo,
well,
so, ang
right?
hirap na, I can
Yeah.
just imagine like during
Exactly.
at that time nung
Yeah, actually, so that's a
pinagdadaanan
good
mo
point,
yun.
and I think because you brought it up, we can start talking about it now. Yeah, so that was the the time too that I was trying to figure out
Oo.
myself.
I can just imagine
and
yung
who I
struggle.
am,
Yeah.
gender and sexuality wise. And so yeah, like doing that tapos as a student pa
Yes.
na
I know.
culture shock pa.
Yeah.
And then like, oh my God, like all my
It's just overwhelming
Oo,
for you.
ah,
Yeah.
yeah, kasi
Yeah.
I can imagine ko na during, bilhin mo 19 ka, you're from
Yes.
the other country, you're trying to fit in, tapos hindi mo alam kung sino yung mga friends na
Yes.
pwede mong lapitan.
Exactly.
Kasi
Of course.
I'm going through this, dito ba ako
This
sa
group of
straight?
people, yes.
Dito ba ako sa girls?
Yes.
Or should I find the people that I'll be comfortable with?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ang
And the
hirap
thing
siguro
too
nun,
is,
no?
of course, and then yeah, so I think I remember my first class, I walked in there, naka-shades pa ako.
Talaga?
Star witness!
Jessica.
Pupunta sa husgado.
Yes.
I'm shy and I'm scared. So like,
Aw.
I feel like the shades was my kind of defense.
Are you
Yes.
more of introvert or extrovert?
Extrovert.
I'm extrovert.
Okay.
I'm mostly extrovert. Pero pagdating nung first day, I was like, oh my God. And then I look at the room
Yep.
and I was like, hala, walang Filipino.
Oh.
So which is another thing because in the Philippines, diba, like nursing is a really big
Community.
program and it's a
Yeah.
big community
Yeah.
and a lot of Filipino nursing students.
Yes. Yeah.
And then pagdating doon, like, ala, walang Filipino. Like,
Really?
lahat are, like different
Mm.
people,
Yeah.
people from different
Mm.
backgrounds.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so I was like, who's gonna be my friend?
Yeah.
Yun nga
Yeah.
yung struggle na
Yeah.
sinasabi ko na you
Mhm.
have to go through na. Napakahirap at that time for sure.
And but then it got better. And then I met so the first semester was hard because then I don't know anyone, and then I started to
Yeah.
know people. But then my first friends were actually non-Filipinos, and I thank them kasi na-force ako to learn to magsalita ng English all the
English,
time
yes,
because
yeah.
I don't have a choice. I
Yeah.
don't have Filipino friends na, or even like. There are Filipinos pero mga dito na
Oo.
lumaki. So like I
Whitewash na
have
rin.
to I have to like speak in English as well. And then of course when they're doing the classes, hala, ang bilis magsalita ng
Yeah.
Oo, paano yun?
Yeah.
Ako nga kanganga ako na. Ano da?
Diba? Like they talk, the professors, the instructors, they talk fast.
Mm.
Or
Yeah.
I mean, it's not fast for them, but it was fast
Oo,
for
oo,
me.
Yeah.
It's normal for them, but for us, you have
Yes.
to like translate it
Of-
with
Oh, yeah.
Brain,
utak mo,
yes,
diba?
that's
Like,
true.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
How hard it is, no?
Yeah.
I mean, for us to be able to listen and translate the English
Yeah.
into our language, parang medyo mahirap yung adjustment na
Yeah.
yun, no?
Mhm.
Pero how long yung years ng adjustment po?
Yeah.
In 3 months ba, naka-adjust ka na agad sa setting ng
Yes.
school?
I think like after the first semester and then the second semester got better because I know more
Okay.
people now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
There's more support.
Mhm.
That's when I had my first Filipino friend as well.
Mhm.
Hi Christine, and
That's nice.
and she was one of my support as well in terms of like like being in school
Yeah.
and then with sexuality as well.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you find the good friends. that
I
who
found
can
good
help
friends
you to
along the
overcome.
way,
Yeah.
and it just
Ano,
got
Yeah.
better and better.
Support
Yeah,
system.
that's a
Oo.
nice one.
Ikaw,
yeah.
how do you choose your friends? Ako kasi, personally, I choose my friends yung gusto kong, katulad ko, let's say, maingay din,
Yes.
funny din, kalug
Oo.
din. How do you choose your friends?
I mean, like, it changed throughout the years, diba? Like the way I chose my friends
Yeah.
when I was in my 20s is different on
Yes.
how I choose my friends now.
Yeah.
But that time, kung sino lang yung lumapit
Gusto
sa
sumama,
Oh, yun na yung friends mo,
You
di ba?
want to come with me?
Ah, siguro
Yes.
lang naman, doon lang nagkakaroon ng process of
Yeah.
elimination.
hala, kinausap niya ako, friend na kami. diba?
I know.
So naniniwala ka ba na habang tumatanda tayo, lumiliit na lang yung mga friends? I mean, kumukonti na lang yung
Yes.
friends
Yes,
natin.
and
Yes.
personally that happened to me as well, and that's okay.
Like what
Yeah.
I said, they view this as medyo negative na. Kasi I would say, friendship is a process of elimination.
Exactly.
True.
But you don't eliminate people.
No.
But because people eliminate themselves.
Yes.
If they
True.
feel na they don't fit in, sila mismo
Yeah.
yung aalis
Exactly.
eh.
They choose
So it goes both ways.
Yeah.
Kasi sinasabi nila, ma'am, parang harsh naman yung eliminate people. No.
No.
Some
They
people
choose it.
eliminate
Yeah,
eliminate
yeah.
themselves.
Tama.
Exactly,
yun.
and that's like it also comes with your values and your beliefs, like your values, beliefs,
Tama.
the things that are important to you. Nung when you were younger is maybe not the same anymore, so you kind of outgrow each other, and that's not a bad thing. People come and people go.
Yeah.
And same thing with friendship, I think.
Yeah.
All right. I just want to go to your family conversation naman
Yeah.
tayo.
Yeah. Okay.
And then, how many siblings do you have?
I have two. So
Two.
I'm the eldest. I have a sister, Apple, and
Eldest ka ba?
Yes.
Kala ko
Oh my-
bunso ka.
I mean, I'll take bunso.
Kala ko bunso to
No,
si...
that's why when he said na he came here as na college na, yung
Oo.
dalawa high
High
school
school
pa
pa
lang.
lang.
Oh,
Kasi nga-
kaya akala ko si
Oo.
bunso to.
Yeah.
Kasi siya lang yung wala pang asawa.
We can talk about
So,
that
ikaw
too.
pala yun. Ayun. So, kumusta ang sa magkakapatid?
Relationship.
How do you describe yourself sa
Yeah.
magkakapatid? Ikaw ba ay yung bully?
Yeah,
Serious
strict to the
type? type?
yeah,
Ano ba? Paano
yeah.
ba?
I think I want to say that I'm a good kuya overall.
Aw.
I mean, I got better, especially now that we are older. Like what you said, both my siblings are married now and they have kids.
Yeah.
So hi to all my nephews. They're so
You know, they're so cute.
yeah.
Oh,
and-
Gankle. He's a Gankle.
Gankle.
and,
Yeah.
yeah, and yeah, so I support them. I want the best for them. I could be strict at times.
With your niece and nephew? Or talking
With
about-
my siblings.
okay.
Yeah, with
With
the
my
sisters.
nephews, not
Oh, you're
yet, kasi they're
protective.
still
You're the
ano
kind of
pa,
brother na protective, no?
Hindi naman super protective. Like, I mean, like, you do whatever you want to do. I support, but, you can always come to me
Yeah.
if you need anything. I'm not really, like, the sweetest. I try to, but...
Ako
mukha
din.
naman. Mukha naman. Anak. Just kidding.
The strict and have a limitation, something
Ako,
like that.
kasi magkakapalit ako talaga yung parang hindi mo ma-approach agad. Pero once you
Oh.
approach me, I'll give in.
Yeah.
Ganun ako. I mean,
Very,
strict
oo.
type face, pero once na kinausap mo ako, yun
Meron
na
kang
yun.
meron kang facade lagi.
Yes.
Oo, lagi may wall
Oo.
talaga yan.
Yes,
Hindi ka
but-
muna pwede kumatok ka muna.
Yeah.
Ganun ka ba? Kasi ganun ba yung personality
Yes.
mo?
I think
Sa mga
at first,
kapatid
so
mo?
I got a lot na, like,
Suplado.
we think you're suplado.
Yes.
That's why
Oh,
you
yeah,
get
yeah,
them
yeah.
inside,
Uh-uh.
because, but then, that's just,
Uh-huh.
and then
This
if you
is
get
you.
to know me, I think you'll know a little bit better, and
Yeah.
and we'll be friends.
Mm.
Aw.
Okay.
I like
And
that.
how was you as a son?
As a son,
Let's call your mom.
Yung totoo, mami.
I mean,
Masurpresa ka ba? Sa parents?
Sweet ka ba?
Or
I mean,
mashowy.
not super sweet. Like, I like celebrating things. Like, I encourage growing up, like, especially here in nandito na
Yeah.
sa Canada, like, hey, let's do this, like family day and stuff. Yeah, so that's me. I try to do my best, especially, when you're the eldest
Yeah.
one, diba? With my parents, I think we're good. We don't have, like, the best relationship.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sugarcoat it.
Yes, exactly.
Growing up, we, how do you say it? Like, yeah.
You're not showy or say I love
it's
you every
not like
day.
the best. Yeah, it's not like the best relationship, but it's also like not the worst or a bad relationship.
Yeah.
And I'm happy with that. No,
Yeah.
that's our relationship, and we're good. No,
Okay.
we're good.
That's good.
So gusto ko lang pasukin because we are here in a Pride Month. Gusto ko lang i-ask sa'yo, how was it like? Kasi kami nag-out kami. Nag-out ako personally saying that ganito ako.
Oo.
Pero hindi ko na kinuwento kung ano ako. So, we're getting into this conversation kasi in celebration of Pride Month, of course,
Yes,
sa topic
Pride
natin
Month,
later.
yeah.
Gusto ko lang
Pride.
malaman, how does your parent, ano ba to?
Accept
Paano
it?
bang, accept ba yung tama kong term?
Mhm.
Or,
Accept, oo.
sige.
Deal. How did you
yeah,
deal with
sige,
your...
yun na lang.
How was the story?
Sige.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe I'll just say like the full family, like how it happened to me. So I was born in Manila, and then I grew up
Mindoro.
sa Mindoro, so Occidental Mindoro, in a little island called Lubang.
Lubang.
And so, like that was a very small, everyone knows everyone, and very traditional and very Catholic as well. So I grew up in a very Catholic community and family. I was one of the altar boys growing up, and rosary and those things. Yeah, so I think
Taray ng shaping, no?
and so growing up with my sexuality, I knew now, something's different. I don't want to say something's wrong.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
'Cause
yeah,
Of
yeah.
course.
It's never
no,
wrong.
no, never wrong. Yeah.
But I mean, growing up, it was also instilled now, that's wrong, right? So, but now I can say like something's different. But I didn't really know. I mean, I didn't have that support. I didn't have the education
Yeah.
of what's going on. So, mga grade 3, I had a crush on, like, not a crush, but I had this like feelings towards another guy.
Can you name him, please?
Baka may asawa din, mamo.
Are you friends on Facebook?
Malaman pa niya.
No, yeah, he's
okay.
married with kids.
Oh, alam update. Alam.
It was just like an admiration, right? But I didn't know it at that time. I was like, it was just, there's this guy.
So
And
grade 3, how old is that? It's
I
like
think I was
9.
9.
Nine,
yeah,
yes.
9, 10, and
Okay.
but then again, it was just that, and then
Yeah.
that's it, right? Pero, and then high school, I had a crush on like someone as well. I was like, okay, this is this is something.
Yeah.
But I didn't really kind of went all out
Pursue
or
Deeper.
proceed or
Yeah, yeah.
acknowledge
Acknowledge,
what's
yeah,
happening until I learned na when I was in nursing na doon ko na realize na you know what, and then I went to Manila na for my nursing school at PLM. And so I start to learn more about sexuality. I started to learn more about it's okay.
Especially
right?
sa Manila, medyo
Oo.
Lalo na sa
broad.
PLM
Yes.
kasi they're very open to that.
Yes,
Yeah.
very broad
So,
na yung ano niyan.
So I started. I was 18 na.
Okay.
Yeah, I was 18 na, and then, but still, I was not, like I'm not acknowledging
Flamboyant.
it, but then, and I wasn't acknowledging it. I was like, okay,
Yeah.
something's, I'm different, but
Mm-hmm.
hindi ko pa rin
talaga?
siya ina-acknowledge. And
Oh,
I remember
okay.
that time when people asked, like, are you gay or,
Yeah, yeah.
so for the viewers, I identify as a gay man.
Okay.
But then that time, it's like, oh, I'm bisexual. Kasi before,
Oh.
it's
Hindi mo pa siya
easier.
alam
kung
Hindi
saan.
mo pa siya alam.
May ano pa,
Okay.
denial pa.
Yeah.
Nasa stage ka pa ng in denial.
Exactly.
Oh.
And also at the same time, a lot of people actually say bisexual. They identify as bisexual that time because it's easier to say na you're bisexual because
Tama.
there's still that chance that you
No,
can be
baka
with
straight ka din naman.
with
a
a girl.
girl,
Yes. And it's easier to say to your family as well because then there's that hope na ay pwede pang mabago.
Kumbaga,
You know,
in
there's
our
still,
slang
you know.
language, sila isang anak ko.
Oo, sila isang.
Oo.
Ganun ka rin, di ba dati?
Dati, nag-girlfriend pa rin naman ako
Oh, di
noon
ba
eh.
nga?
Pero nung nandito na ako, tsaka ako talagang totally out. Oo.
Oh.
Pero
Yeah.
sa Pilipinas, college, high school, nag-girlfriend pa rin ako noon.
Ikaw ba, mama, nagsilahis ka rin?
Wala.
Hindi. Diretso to.
Straight to the point ako.
All the way.
All the way.
There's no layover. Walang layover.
Walang ano.
Pero sa
No
panahon
doubt
kasi
about it.
namin noon,
Oo.
I mean, yung time namin, kasi
Oo.
yung time nila iba naman
Iba na
talaga.
yun, oo eh.
When sinabi kang bading ka, you are only like parlorista, yung 80s
Yes.
and 90s, ganun lang
Yes.
naman kasi ang tingin sa mga bading eh. Kaya parang takot ka magladlad kasi ayaw mo man-name ng ganun.
Oh.
Which is sa sarili mo, hindi ako magiging
Oh,
ganon, di
yes,
ba? Parang
oo.
iba yung gusto kong puntahan as a gay member in a community. Parang ganon naman. Pero yung sa time nyo, sinabi mong bisexual kasi hindi mo pa sure kung saan ka doon. Oh, I see.
At
And
saka
it
may
was
hope
easier
pa.
then. It was
Tsaka
my
like
hope.
what
And
you say,
yeah,
may
and
hope pa eh.
in my mind, I was like, oh, maybe
Yeah.
maybe
Magbabago
it will
pa.
change,
Yes, oo.
And I've known people who who identified as a gay man, and then they ended up marrying and having kids.
Exactly.
Even in Mindoro. So yeah, so that was the story, and then we moved here. Now, still, I wasn't. I wasn't out. I wasn't vocal about, and I was still kind of figuring myself out. And then, I remember that was a good point about going back to school. It was already hard to go back to school as a student, as an immigrant student. How much more if you have this kind of like a journey in your mind within you that I need to identify who I am. Like now you're identifying yourself as an immigrant, as
Yeah.
a newcomer, and then now you identify na like am I gay ba or what?
Anong
So that was
malaman
hard.
ko lang, anong sinabi ng mother mo or ng father mo nung
Yeah,
nalaman
so
nila?
that was with them. I came out first to my friend. So this is
Okay.
Christine, the same friend from nursing
Family is
school.
always the
Oh,
last to
oh,
know.
yes.
True.
Oh,
Kasi,
oh.
she asked me, I was like, hey, I have a question. I'm just wondering,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
are you
yeah,
gay? I was
yeah.
like, that was Facebook
Oh
Messenger.
my
and I was
God.
like,
Facebook Messenger.
Ganun ka blunt?
because like she grew up here,
Yeah,
so
so
like,
Exactly,
walang, like direct to the point. Which I
Yes.
like, and I was standing, I was like, am I gonna say it? Am I not gonna
Yeah.
say it? But then I was like, like I want to keep this friendship with her. So I told her, and she's been very supportive.
Nice.
So that
And
was
how does
one
it
of
feel?
them.
How does it feel for you? Like,
It felt better. I was like, oh, it's actually like not
Okay.
bad. Parang,
Oo, parang,
and,
what a relief.
and this is the same
Yes.
message for people who are listening today, for
Yes.
people who are going through the same
Still in
journey.
the
Like,
closet.
Yeah.
it will get better, and it's not as bad. But of course,
Yeah.
it is a process that it was for
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Um,
Exactly.
And then that was 2021, 2022. Yeah. And
Okay
then
lang lang.
I said not 2012 pala.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah. And then around the same time, nito lang.
Oo.
Late bloomer. Nakita kitang
Nag-ano?
Becky Bells.
Oh, tapos nung nalaman ni Christine.
Yeah, and then I started to, so with friends and people in general, I don't really like, hey, I'm Jose, I'm gay.
Yeah.
It's mostly like when you ask, then I'm
No,
not
yeah.
gonna deny it, and
Okay.
it's
So
just-
do
so
I,
it got
Yeah,
better.
that's good.
So it's one way to do it for
Yep.
people. You are not obligated to disclose yourself, to disclose who
Exactly.
you are if you're not ready. And then sa parents ko naman, so that was 2012, 13. So that was with my mom first and my siblings. So we were eating at a Korean restaurant
Yeah.
dito. Ginseng. It was her birthday, so that's
Uh-huh.
February 1st. And then so we were talking, and then my siblings were talking about like, oh, are you dating someone and blah blah blah. So I was like, oh, I'm dating
okay.
this person, and my brother's like, oh, I have a crush on this person. I was like, how about you, Kuya? And I was like, I'm seeing a guy. And I was like, drink my water.
That just come out.
It just
like
came out. I
that?
was like, you know what? I'm seeing a guy. I didn't plan it. I didn't like
Kinabahan
thought
ako
about
Grabe
it.
naman yun.
I know. I was like,
Ano
Yeah.
sabi ni Mudra?
Walang preparation.
yeah. So like so I remember.
Grabe
diba?
ka.
Surprise!
I know, diba?
Grabe na.
You asked me, do you like surprise?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So,
Ano,
yeah, so
ano
that was-
reaction nila?
That was
Oh,
the
ni
story.
mother.
So like my siblings, they were very like, oh, that's nice, kuya. And,
That's good.
and
Supportive,
they were
yeah.
very supportive. My
Accepting.
mom at that time, she was just quiet. You know, she was like she
Speaking
didn't say
Korean.
anything about it.
She suddenly
She
speaks
just-
Korean.
She just ate all the Korean food, and no, she was just quiet and that was okay for me. And I remember I had to drive her past. It was kind of awkward drive home kasi
Oh, really?
kasi,
Everyone's quiet.
Yeah, she was just like quiet about it, but she didn't say like So at that time, I was happy that she was quiet. She didn't say anything, because then that is better compared to like, ay bakit like
Yeah,
or no,
questioning
you're not
you, yes.
allowed
Oh,
to
hindi
be
ikaw
that.
yan,
You-
hindi
pa
yeah,
yan,
hindi pa yan.
exactly. So I didn't hear any of those
That's
things,
good.
and so I'm grateful for that as
Yeah.
well. And then, and you know what? Eventually, and this is a message for people going through the process as well.
Yes.
It will get better. And then you know what? Like she just all of a sudden we start talking about it. Now this is like weeks and months after, and even years. Like it's a process, diba? So
So your mom, she became vocal about this.
yeah, she became more. I would say like vocal. Yeah, she's more accepting. I brought like boys home when I was younger, and of course they know what that means.
Yes.
Okay.
And they were accepting. Same as my
Nice.
dad.
Can
with
you
my
name that
dad
boy?
naman- Kanina pa yun. We'll do I'll tag the Facebook to Instagram name after.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Yeah, with my dad naman. So this was 2017 na, so a little bit later.
Hindi pa nasabay.
It's not sabay.
Grabe.
But I knew my dad.
5 years.
My
Oh
dad
my
knew
God.
kasi, and I feel like my parents knew. And that's the thing with
Yeah.
you guys, like they have an idea already,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, exactly.
Because when I was younger, I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those kids na nag-Miss Universe.
Talaga ba?
Rampa-rampa.
Alam mo,
Oo.
medyo tama si Jose doon. May point siya. Ako, feeling ko din, yung dad more mas accepting sila.
Talaga?
Doon sa mga, kasi ako ganun ako.
Oo.
Ganun yung na-feel ko kahit na alam na
Oo.
nila yung dad ko. Talaga, may isang instances na we were at the table. I went back to the Philippines for just a vacation. And then we were on table. I think that was February 14. We're doing a dinner, lunch yata. And my dad just suddenly explored out. Sa sinabi niya lang, February 14 yung Valentine's Day. Asan yung
Oh, so
boyfriend mo?
nauna lang pala ako. February 1st ako.
Sabi ng tatay ko, asan yung boyfriend mo? Talaga
Uy.
na talaga.
Eh di ikaw yung
Wow.
nagulat.
Oo, tas nanay ko sabi.
Di ba?
Oo, ganun
Sila yung
yata.
nagugulat.
Parang alam nila, di ba?
They know.
Parang accept.
They know. They know. And you know what? That's right. So with my dad, so that was 2017. So I was in Las Vegas actually, and then my dad was he messaged me and I was like, happy birthday. It was my birthday naman. So it was like, so sa birthday ko talaga tinataon.
Oh.
So yeah, so like
Lagi
for
may
my
okasyon,
dad
ha?
naman, he was like, oh, like happy birthday, have fun and bili mo ako Marlboro.
Tapos.
And then I was like, oh, thank you so much. And I had drinks out with my friends, but I'm not drunk. It's just like, and all of a sudden, I just texted him like, Ama, I'm gay, and all I want for you is to respect. I didn't even ask for acceptance.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh wow. I didn't even ask for acceptance. I was just like, you have to respect my decision.
Yeah.
This is me. And again, the same thing. So my ama didn't reply. So I was like, oh my god.
Silent treatment
Silent
again.
treatment as well. So I was like, oh my god, it's happening again. But you know what? I was able to say it. So that's
least,
what's
yes.
I'm happy with that. Diba?
Yes,
That's kind of like
exactly.
my birthday gift for
Exactly.
myself.
Oo.
And then the next day he was like, he messaged, siguro like he needed time to think. And you know what? That's okay, right?
You need to process
parents-
stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Our parents, family, siblings, friends, they need time to process then. And then so for him, he was like, and then I will not forget what he said is that, you know what, like, kung ano ka pa, like, I accept you and I still love you. And that's actually part of my thesis because I have to write a little bit my story. And then something that he said pa was, basta lang if you with a partner na guy, wag ka lang sasaktan or else I'll come to that guy and susuntukin
I
ko
Protected
siya.
from
I
father
love
figure.
that.
Aw.
I love that.
Palakpakan natin mga tatay, no?
Yes, I know.
So-
Tatay talaga the best talaga.
Yeah, and that's true. Like between my dad and my mom, I was surprised kasi I thought my mom would be the one who's gonna
Yes,
be more,
yeah.
diba, okay with it. But I
Oo.
feel like my dad has nung in the process, my dad was more
Okay,
okay. Yeah.
oo.
So again, like what I said
Mas naging
earlier.
vocal pati, no?
Exactly. So that's what I said earlier.
Nakakatuwa.
I never had the best relationship with my parents, but I'm also like happy and thankful and
Yes.
grateful
You're so
for
lucky.
them.
Yes.
I had like these experiences with them, and it was
Exactly.
pretty positive. So
Yeah.
thank you, Amanda.
So nice.
Last question before we move on and knowing Jose here, talagang
Yes.
dami nating nalaman.
I
ano?
know.
Ito lang,
I'm
gusto ko lang
glad.
malaman yung opinion nyo. Do we really need to out ourselves to our parents? Ikaw, Jose muna.
Di ba ikaw may gusto kang i-out na
Mamaya.
ano?
Sino? Yung doktor yun. Ano?
Doktor din yun?
Oo.
No, just kidding.
Ano ba?
Ate, I mean, sa ako ha,
Mhm.
do we really need to out sa parents natin? Ikaw, Mamu.
Oh yeah, of course. Of
Kasi-
course, because it's not for them, it's for us.
Tama.
Na letting them
Tama.
know that it's
Tama.
mostly for us para talaga meron tayong freedom.
Tama.
Meron tayo kasi no matter how they accept it or no matter how they respond to it,
Mhm.
at the end of the day, we did our part na nasabi natin and
Tama.
it's for
It
us.
feels good.
It feels good. Yeah,
Tama.
may ano talaga, may release.
Oo.
Like for me, that's how I
Agree
felt
ako
during
doon.
that time.
Yeah, more for yourself.
Ako naman, I mean, okay lang siguro. Kasi yun nga sabi ni Jose kanina, na yung mga parents natin, kilala naman tayo ng mga
Yes.
yan eh. Pero sabi ko nga, do they need an assurance from us that, Dad, Mom, I'm a gay. So,
Oo.
para lang maging tama yung maging pagtrato sa atin, parang ganun ba yung naging ano. Yun lang yung tumatakbo sa isip ko na kailangan ko ba talaga mag-out? Dahil sa mga ibang nanonood sa atin, for example, do I need to tell my mom?
In
Or
vocal,
mom
oo.
or
Oo,
dad
napaka-
understands
sensitive
me
na topic
already?
yun, lalo na sa may mga
Oo,
bata.
parang ganun lang naman. Pero kung kailangan nyo at kung feeling nyo magiging magaan yung pakiramdam nyo na maging out kayo sa parents nyo, do it.
Exactly.
Do it, di ba? Ikaw, Bel, anong sa tingin mo
Hindi
doon?
pa ako nag-out eh.
Nag-out ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Kasi,
Hindi katulad nga ng sabi ni Jose, di ba?
oo.
For him, hindi niya talaga, he's not aiming for acceptance. He's
Yeah.
aiming for respect.
Yes,
Perfect.
I love
So,
that.
yung
Yeah.
malaking bagay. Ako, I remember nung time ko kasi I played basketball, I play hard, and I'm really good at it during my time. So, naglalaro ako noon. I think naglalaro ako noon sa Sebastian for second team.
Wow.
So, paglabas ko noon, sabi ng daddy ko pagdating sa bahay, sabi niya, alam mo, ikaw, magaling ka lang mag-basketball pero malambot ka rin.
Ay, ganun
Ah,
sabi.
sabi niya.
May dala akong bola, ganun, naka-ano
Meron
ako.
ng ganon.
Tapos
Yung
sabi
bola ganon.
Pag ganon.
Hindi talaga kasi passion ko yan. So
Oo.
I'm really good at it, and I know it's not about the gender for me when
Oh,
it
yeah,
comes
yeah.
to play with that. It's like
Yes.
you playing volleyball or
Yeah,
basketball.
exactly. Yeah.
So
Exactly.
you want to be good at something that you really want to, right? So
Yes.
ganun ako. Tapos biglang sinabi niya yun, pero yun, parang yun yung sinasabi niyo na under back of their mind, alam na nila.
Yeah, yeah.
May
Before
idea na
pa,
talaga
oo.
May
sila.
Pero
idea
mas
na
gusto pa rin natin yung release na would come from us and we would tell our parents, no?
Kasi siguro nag-aantay din sila na maging vocal ka, di ba? May
Ay,
mga
oo,
parents na
siguro
gano'n
ganun.
na.
Oo. Ikaw na-feel mo ba yun? Na
Yeah,
you're waiting for it?
for me, I think it's more of, so like to answer your question, I think for me, it's like yes and no. So I want to say na it's not an obligation,
Yeah.
especially now these days. Like this is you, right?
Yeah.
But I think with that Filipino upbringing as well, with the respecting their parents, no matter what. Parang it's out of respect if we want
Yes.
to tell them. So,
Oo.
but also like say it when you are ready. Yeah,
Mhm.
I didn't feel that I was forced by my parents, and again, I'm thankful for that. I didn't feel that I was forced by
Yeah.
my friends as well, which I'm thankful for. So, when you're ready now, when you're ready to say it to your parents, to your
Yeah.
family, to your friends, you do it in your own timeline.
Tama.
True.
Tama.
Yeah,
Okay.
Wala namang
dapat
deadline yan eh. Tama.
Exactly. And if you choose, like, if your choice is not to tell them as well for some reasons, that is okay as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, like, there's always a stigma na nakakatakot dun sa magiging response ng parents mo, no?
Totoo.
Yun
Yan
yung
talaga,
nakakatakot
oo.
dun sa mga, kaya takot mag-out yung mga tao or takot kasi baka yung response ng parents, di ba, parang mas
Oo.
harsh, mas...
Yung time kasi
Exactly.
natin, ganun eh.
Oo.
Pag
May
nag-out ka,
nababaltaan
bubugbugin
talaga.
ka
Yeah,
eh.
may nababaltaan ka
Oo,
talaga. Bugbog
hindi
sarado
pwede.
talaga eh.
Kailangan
Oo.
pakalalaki ka.
Iba
Sabihin
nga.
mo, lalaki ako, gano'n.
Lalo na kayo.
Lalaki ako. Ikaw, ano, I had that too. Di ba? Mahirap.
Ikaw,
Oo.
nagsakristan, nagtumulong ka pa
Ako
seminary.
nag-seminary pa ako.
Oh,
Kasi hindi
really?
ko accepted yun
Nagsakristan
eh.
ka pa. O, di ba?
Oo,
So,
sabi ko nga, nung nasa loob ako, mas lalo ko na-find out, sorry sa mga pre-pick-up discipline ko sa seminaryo, na-find out ko lalo yung sarili ko na parang I'm not worthy to be here, not just because something
Oh.
bad on me. It's just
Oo.
that, hindi kayang magsilbi ang sarili mo dahil
Tama.
may ganun kang
Oo.
pakiramdam.
sa sarili mo,
oo.
tama. Oo.
Kaya pinili mo na lang din na i-out mo na yung sarili mo para mas maging masaya ka,
Mas
di ba?
malaya ka pa.
Yun lang
oo.
naman yun. Alright!
Alright.
Ang dami natin pag-usapan about Jose, no?
Oo.
Napaka-interesting
Oo.
ng...
I'm glad, yeah.
Oo,
Yes.
napaka-interesting ng personality mo. Kasi
Yes.
ako, personally, I just known Jose as very quiet. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi ko naman siya talaga nakaka-converse talaga ng
Yeah.
matagalan. Hi, hello, pag nagkikita,
Yes,
ganun lang.
oo.
Pero knowing the person more, it's parang magiging, ay, gusto ko maging close sa kanya.
Oo,
Matalino pala to.
oo, sobra, oo.
Oo. Pero moving on tayo, since you are graduated and you had your master's or doctorate,
Yeah,
I think you had this research about HIV.
exactly.
Which is we lead to our main topic for tonight,
Yes.
Yeah.
the sexuality and HIV.
Exactly, and those two are interrelated
Yes.
naman.
Saka yun ang
can
thesis
see-
mo,
All the
no?
time, yeah.
So you did your research talaga.
Yeah.
Okay, can you just define us for our viewers what is
It's
HIV?
Yes, exactly. So I'm gonna start with like how I did with my doctorate. So one of the requirements is to do an original research work. And so for my what we call dissertation, so my research was looking at the experiences related to PrEP access, pre-exposure prophylaxis access among young men who have sex with men in Canada. So with HIV, so kapag kasi like when you go for your for a PhD, one of the things they're gonna ask is what is your research interest. So when I first applied, kasi nangyari kasi sa akin is so I did my master's in 2017 sa University of Alberta. And then I got offered to jump directly to PhD noong 2018. So I didn't have to
Wow,
finish. It was like
mabilis, ah.
an accelerated program.
Nice.
So my professors at that time saw some potential, I guess, in me, and they're like, "Hey, just apply sa bypass, so to go directly to PhD." So I did, and I was like, "Hindi man ako matatanggap dyan." Right?
But you did.
So I did. I applied, and then I got in, and I was like, "Oh, okay." So I went for it, and then so that was one of the questions. And initially nilagay ko was I want to focus on teaching and education, nursing education, because I was already teaching in 2017 as well. So that's when I started teaching at McEwan University where I graduated. So I went back 2 years after,
Yeah.
and then
What did you teach in specific? Anong tinuro mo?
yeah, so I was teaching labs muna. I taught clinical, so like
Okay.
brought students to hospitals.
Okay, clinicals na.
Yeah,
okay.
and then labs na, and then eventually I taught mga so like first year, second year, third year, and fourth year nursing students seminars as well.
Okay.
So different courses, like iba-iba siya. So I started doing that in 2017, and up to now I still teach because nga I love to teach, diba? So that was.
True.
Pero I asked myself like, what is something that's really important to me that I want to focus on
Oh, yeah.
if I'm gonna do PhD, because it's a hard work, it's a
Yeah.
long-term work.
Yeah, lalo na
Oh,
dito.
for sure, yeah.
Konti lang
It took me
talaga.
6 years to do the PhD, actually.
Yeah.
Grabe,
Wow.
6 years.
I know, but that's kind of like part-time too,
Yeah.
with COVID and everything. And so I thought about, HIV.
Yeah.
That's something that is always. So just to kind of like give a backstory, so the reasons why I chose HIV. So HIV is human human immunodeficiency virus. So this is like a virus that affects your system, and so unfortunately there's no cure say HIV, and it's still like a problem not just in Canada and the Philippines but
All
globally
over,
as
yes,
well.
yes.
Exactly, all over the world, yeah.
So it is a virus, that affects and infects people in different ways. We can talk more about it later. Yeah, and then one thing too na I want to address now, pag sinabi kasi diba, HIV and AIDS, diba? And so like, oh, may HIV ka, may AIDS ka. So HIV actually is the virus that causes. So you can have HIV pero not automatically you have AIDS.
AIDS,
okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Yan,
so-
yan ang tandaan mo, okay?
Oo, so okay
So,
pa.
okay
Nandun
ka
pa
pa.
tayo sa
Okay
first
ka pa,
stage.
oo.
Exactly.
Okay ka pa sa
Ano
HIV.
ba?
Yeah, so with that's so funny. With HIV, yun. So now we have treatments, so we call them antiretroviral therapy. So or ARVs.
ARV, okay.
Yeah, ARVs. So like this is the medication that like helps.
Yeah.
Not to cure. It's not like a treatment, but it helps kind of eliminate yung viral load or yung virus sa katawan
I see.
in your system. So once someone is not taking the medication regularly for some reason, for different reasons, like they don't have access to the medication or they have other social
Or
problems.
finances.
Exactly. So kapag hindi nagtitake ng medications, of course the virus is gonna grow and the number is gonna grow in your body,
Yes,
and that's
yes.
when it becomes, and then it leads to complications like some,
Anong part ng cells ang ina-attack nito? Kasi sabi mo, virus siya, di ba? So,
it attacked like like your whole body really.
Immune
So
system talaga.
it's kind of like a whole body inflammation is what it's causing. So it causes different things like like brain problems as well, heart problems, lung problems. One of the biggest
Kidneys,
one. That's
oh.
why
Tuberculosis
tuberculosis.
lagi.
It could be like really, sa Philippines that's one of the biggest
Yeah,
correlation
yeah.
HIV
True.
and TB. So there are different complications na yun nga. So yung pag meron ka na ng mga skin as well.
Sa skin, number
Diba?
1 sa skin yan. Yun yung
Yeah,
sinasabi ko
Kaposi
sa'yo.
sarcoma
Wala
is
na.
what we call
Ayan,
it.
ayan,
Malinis
ayan,
na to.
Yeah, mga kunin ko nga.
So people will have like the Kaposi sarcoma, what you call it. And then kapag meron ka na ng mga symptoms na yon or those complications, then that's when they start to label it as AIDS na.
Okay.
So kapag parang
Pag nag-bloom na siya ng bongga.
complicated na siya. Kumbaga, like stage 1 is the HIV, for example lang, and then stage, mga like 3 or 4 na like late stage are...
Parang mukha ka ng bulok, ganun.
Oo.
AIDS ka na.
Pag nada-dry ka na, yung
So
mukha ka
that's
bang dry? May
AIDS.
AIDS
Oh.
na yun.
yung ano na, like there's complications. So
ganon.
those are the different that I want to tell people because
Yes.
sometimes they said, oh, HIV AIDS.
Yeah.
And
Magkaiba yun.
yeah, exactly. So going back to the story, the reason why is, it's like, so growing up in the Philippines, it's so scary because then we know that HIV is still one of the biggest problem
Yeah.
health-wise sa Philippines.
It's not being dealt with.
Lalo ngayon.
Yeah, exactly.
I was just looking at the statistics actually. So with with CDC, and they said like from 2012 to 2023, the rate Philippines is one of the highest
Oh my God.
in the
Oo.
West Pacific
Talaga.
region. Yeah,
Na
and it went up to 411%, if I remember it right.
No
Yeah,
way.
So
tama.
parang kumbaga before 1,000 lang yung affected, now it's like 4,000. So
Oh.
imagine how much more.
Oh my God.
So it's still a problem. So that's one of the reasons why I chose it. Another reason is again like there's the stigma,
Yeah.
a big stigma. We can
Palagi.
talk
Yeah.
more about it later about HIV in the Philippines and everywhere really. Pero in the Philippines it's really bad.
Yes, it
Diba?
is.
Up to today.
Tama.
So that's why I it would be great to talk about that tonight as well. And then pagdating ko dito, when I work in Emerge, I work with a lot of people with HIV as well.
Okay.
Oh.
And some of
Kasi
them with
researcher.
complications.
Mhm,
No,
yeah.
as a nurse.
Ah,
But
so-
then,
okay,
so when I was
okay.
started, so this was in 2011. So I work with people na and then for me too, like that time, I have knowledge of HIV, not of course from the Philippines, from nursing school. Pero so I have that little bit of knowledge, and I was interested kasi sa HIV.
Yeah.
And so when you work with them and you actually see it like in real life,
Yeah.
na ito pala yung HIV, ito pala yung ano. And so like especially in una, like for me, I'm not gonna lie, like when I was younger, I still have that stigma in me na hala HIV, that means it's a
Yeah.
bad thing, right? So I educated myself, and then eventually I started working with them. And so one of the stories I want to share was with this is one of the stories that I mentioned in my thesis as well. Is I called her Susan. That's not her real name. So Susan was one of the
We
patients.
can call
that-
him Bell para matagin natin.
Para pamilyar.
Sige.
So I work with her, and this is one of the many people that I work with, and so I provided care with her, and sometimes there are nursing care now you don't need gloves naman, and so I did that. I knew that she's a person, so we call them PL people living with HIV, so
Okay.
PLW HIV. So I I provided care, and then she came back to me like, hey, thank you so much. Like, what for? And then she was like, oh, thank you because you provided care with me without wearing gloves, and you held my hands without wearing gloves. And I was like, because like I'm HIV positive,
Yeah.
and when people know that I'm HIV positive,
How do you get the HIV?
Yes.
Fluid transmission.
Yeah, so there are different ways. That's a good question. So usually it's bodily fluids.
Okay.
So bodily fluid transmission. So like through sex. So that's like your semen and blood is the biggest one.
Blood
Okay.
talaga.
Blood
Yeah.
is the biggest
Mga
one too.
tinuturo ko.
So that's the biggest one.
For
Saliva
example,
is not really. Yeah.
For example,
Pero
Jose.
pwede, di ba?
But it will
saliva.
take a lot.
Yeah, 1 gallon yata, 2
Oo.
gallons.
Hindi naman ganun ka.
Like
So,
so
one
that's
gallon.
why there's also that stigma that kapag hinawakan mo or when you touch someone,
Yeah,
when you
magkakaroon ka na
interacted
rin,
with someone
yeah.
who's HIV, you're gonna have it. It's
No.
not like COVID. I feel like
Kasi
COVID is worse.
ganun pa yung thinking ko ngayon.
Yes.
Alam mo, makaluma tayo, di ba?
Oo.
Ganun pa yung thinking ko na baka kasi makadikit lang ako kasi sabi mo nga parang yung
Skin disease.
yung mga fluids ng body,
Yeah.
yung bang pawis ko pag napadikit sa kanya,
Oh.
it
Yeah.
combines with the
No.
Okay,
no.
so-
Not unless may open wound siguro.
Exactly.
Oh.
So yes,
I
exactly.
see.
So there are different ways. So that's sexually is one of the biggest way to, so sexually is one of the biggest ways to transmit it. But also, it's transmitted congenitally as well. So yung babies.
Oh,
yeah, so there's a
really?
lot, especially,
Oh.
like,
Acquired.
let's say with our, like African Caribbean.
So, paano ba
kasi-
natin may iwasan ng HIV sa pagpunta sa AIDS?
Mhm.
O
Um,
naglilid ba talaga siya papunta ng AIDS, ang HIV?
No, not necessarily. Like a lot of people, especially now. So there's not a lot of people with AIDS now, which is great.
Okay.
Because there's the medication.
Mhm.
Yeah.
There's the cure.
That's what you're
Yeah.
mentioning a while ago.
Yeah,
na-
exactly. So again, so I talk about HIV and I talk about ARVs, which is the retrovirals, so the
Okay.
medication. So the biggest way to prevent HIV from going to AIDS is if you take medication, and that's kind of like the top way of preventing it. So if you take your medication every day, then you will just be fine, and you
Yes.
live a normal life.
Yes, I was
Oh.
mentioning Magic Johnson. He had it when he was, I think, this is during the early 90s. Magic Johnson is a basketball player. He plays for Lakers. And up until now, he's alive. I think he's
Yeah.
just on his 70s, and he got it when he was in 30s.
Yeah. So
Can you
taking
imagine
your
40
medication
years?
is a big, because and that's the thing too. Like it's not real when people
Yeah.
say like, oh, you have HIV, you're gonna die.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
not the
yeah.
case anymore.
Yeah.
We also have what we call and then for education purposes as well, like U equals U. Okay, so that's undetectable equals untransmittable.
So, ano yun?
So that means that kung hindi detectable yung virus, kung hindi siya
Ma-trace pa.
ma-trace sa blood mo, then you will not be able to give it to someone else.
Okay.
Yeah. So the way to do it is we have what we call like a viral load. So kapag nagtitake ka ng medication, so the way it works is the medication will lower
Okay.
yung virus level sa katawan mo or sa blood mo. So for this one, so the viral load that you need for HIV to be ma-transfer mo sa ibang tao is 200 copies per mil.
Okay.
So if you have
Marami-rami,
less
oh.
than so if you have less than 200, so let's say 150,
Yeah.
100, then you should be fine. Like you can
Okay.
actually have sex with someone and not transmit, not give them HIV.
HIV.
Okay.
So-
So, yung mga ngayong PrEP, would you advise that? Kasi may nakikita ako ng commercial ngayon na
yeah,
PrEP.
PrEP.
Oh.
Oo.
Yeah, so PrEP is actually, and I can talk about this
Yes, please.
again and again and again.
Uh-huh.
So PrEP, please ask also if you need me
Yeah.
to.
So, okay, just can you please identify the difference between PEP and PrEP?
Yan.
Yes.
Sige
So
nga.
yeah, so we have PrEP. So first, and for people in the group chat, if you have questions, or in the live, if you have questions as well,
Yeah.
please throw it in there. So we have PrEP. So PrEP is actually my actual research for my dissertation.
Okay.
So PrEP is ano po, pre-exposure prophylaxis.
Okay.
Pre-exposure
Yeah,
prophylaxis.
pre-exposure prophylaxis. So the way it works is it's prevention. It's prevention. So it's not a treatment for HIV. So this is a medication, a blue pill, that someone will take every day.
Okay.
And then, parang ano, like the way I explain to people is birth control. So if like people will take the birth control pills every day if they don't want to get pregnant. So same thing with people who are, like who, like,
Condomless.
yeah, so who
sex.
doesn't want to get HIVs, then you can take PrEP, PrEP, every day. And then if you take that every day, it is, there's a lot of studies about it, and it's 99%, at least 99%
Wow.
effective.
That's
So
nice.
almost talaga,
Yeah.
it works.
Yeah, it really works, and there's a lot there's a lot of studies about it, so it's well studied.
Is there any side effect?
The only side effect for this one that's known with one medication, so I'm familiar with, because I focus on one medication, it's called Truvada. And so the only side effect is like, it affects your bone density and your kidney function.
Oh,
But
okay.
but also when you are on PrEP, like here in Canada and in Alberta, for example, they follow up with you. So hindi lang, you're not going to go home and just take it on you. So you
Okay.
actually have a doctor following up with you. Every 3 months you do your blood works.
Oh.
And so
Okay.
to make sure that your kidney's
Mo-
okay,
monitor,
your bones
So
okay.
itong PrEP, gagamitin mo lang siya pag actively on ano ka?
Condomless. Pag condomless.
Yes, so so PrEP
Okay.
is, so, if you
Hindi
are...
ko kasi aware. Hindi ako ano dito. Oh,
So
sige.
syempre, like this medication, like not everyone should use it or could use it naman.
Okay.
So these are for people who are sexually active,
Oh, yan.
for example.
Okay.
For people who in what we call condomless anal sex or condomless
Yung
sex.
pala yun. Mali ko ba?
Yeah, so condomless sex for like, our straight brothers and sisters as
Yeah.
well.
Oh, yes.
For example, our sex workers,
I
they're
see.
high risk sila, diba?
Oh,
Like high
okay.
risk
Yeah.
for people who uses IV drugs. So those are people who are
Ah,
risk,
yeah, okay.
high risk as well, because
Oo.
that's one of the ways. Because there's still,
Blood.
I know you guys have heard like needle sharing. So
Uh-uh.
people will still share needles when they use drugs,
Oh
and
my.
so
Mm-mm.
some of them unfortunately are HIV positive, and that's one of the ways na
Mm-mm.
ma-transfer yung HIV.
Yan. So once again, sa mga nanonood po, this is awareness for everybody. That's why
Yeah.
we're talking about this. Kasi maraming hindi nakakalam tulad ko, hindi ko alam yung PrEP.
Ako
Ang
rin.
PrEP ba ay para lang sa mga lalaki?
No,
Oh.
so a lot of people will, it's not just for the gay guys.
Yeah.
It's for everyone.
Mm.
So again, we have straight people or heterosexual male or people who like again engages in different sexual activities that put them
Yeah.
at high risk. So that's just sexually, but also again like drug use and stuff like that. We have people, let's say our brothers and sisters in like Africa, like Africa and Caribbean, where like one partner is HIV positive, then let's say the wife or the husband is negative, so he or she can take PrEP as
I
well.
see.
Para hindi niya makuha yung HIV from the partner. So that's one way. So there, like everyone could use it. To answer your question about, so like PrEP, yeah, you take it every day. There are other ways to take it as well. There's like what you call like on demand. So like for people who doesn't want to take it every day, someone can take it like before you, if you know like you're gonna have like a sexual activity with someone and it's at risk, then you can actually take it before you do it, and then 24 hours after and 24 hours after as well. Yung PEP naman is so usually you will get this in an emergency situation. So
Okay.
yeah, so if let's say for example you, and we can talk later, you can put a note on where to get PrEP.
Okay.
In PrEP naman is so when you have someone or when you were involved in like an activity or something, either sex or IV drug use or whatsoever,
Yeah.
and then you're like, oh my god, I feel like I was exposed.
Yeah.
And then so they will put you on PEP. So this is something usually they use the same medication, pero dito naman you take it for like from 7 to 21 days
Okay.
depending on the risk, and
Yeah.
then so until rule out now you don't have HIV. So that's the difference between
PrEP.
PrEP and PEP.
PrEP
Yeah.
and PEP. So PrEP is prevention. PEP is kind of aftercare treatment.
Oh, okay.
Post-exposure na siya,
Post-exposure.
prophylaxis.
So where do we get that PrEP?
Yes, so in Alberta, so there are different provinces in Canada that have different, because they like they have different ways of doing their healthcare.
Yeah.
So different provinces in Canada, we in Alberta, for example, so we have PrEP providers actually. So if you go to Alberta Health Services and type like PrEP providers, so they actually have a list of people that you can go to, and these
I see.
people are trained.
Okay.
Because one of the barriers, is people are same with HIV. That's the reason why they don't go testing. They don't seek for treatment. They don't seek
Yeah.
for support because they are ashamed that they will be stigmatized,
Yes.
right?
Sure,
So
Yeah.
and also so like the government is working on it. I mean, there's still some stigma out there, especially with healthcare providers as well.
Exactly. Yeah.
And so yeah, so like we have
Can you buy it over the counter?
no, so you have to have a prescription, you have to have your blood work
Oh,
test. There's like
okay.
some process. So it's like a really a careful process, which I think is great. Hindi lang para siya like Tylenol, like you want to
Yeah.
buy it. So because this again is like and it's an antiretroviral, right? So yeah, so you have those, and then you have Freddie as well. So that's
Freddie.
yeah, Freddie is, and I think this is mostly in social media. You can
Yes.
see this
Yeah, I can
online.
see that. Yeah.
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 Ka-Freddy,
So-
pulutan ng anak.
Alam mo yan.
Yeah, so it's online, so you can actually for people who so this is for people who are not comfortable going to the clinic,
Yeah.
so I can actually do everything online. So they do like phone consultation, and then they will email you
Yeah.
your prescription, and then or your lab muna, and then your prescription, and then you can just go to the pharmacy and get it, or you can even get it delivered at your place.
Oh,
So there's a
nice.
discreet way of doing it.
So ang PrEP talaga is preventive po siya, no?
It
Pang-
is
pang
for
prevent
prevention.
siya. Kung preventive siya, hindi siya pwedeng inumin ng mayroon ng HIV.
No, so that because then I mean it's already
Hindi ka,
there.
alam mo na.
So,
Oh, alam mo na.
Yeah.
so
So, but I mean, like, you know what? Like, the medication that we're using for PrEP is actually an antiretroviral. So,
Okay.
they will use it now as a treatment. Na
I
hindi na
see.
siya as PrEP
I
because they
see.
already have the
So,
virus.
how do you acquire naman yung PEP? How do you get it? How do you buy it? Is
Saan
it
makukuha?
hospital?
So
na siya.
usually it's like from your doctor, hospital, because it's
okay.
like post-exposure, because you never know when it's gonna happen. So you cannot really
Exactly.
like have it, right?
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So.
So,
yeah.
like for example, you went to a condomless sex, and then you felt like you needed it. Can you just go right away to the doctor and said like,
Yeah,
I feel
usually
like,
emergency is the best bet.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So yeah, I want to tell a story actually. So one of the
so you can go to emergency and tell them that okay, I need.
and that's the thing, right? So that's kind of like the
Talaga?
barrier, because then it takes the courage too and that bravery and hoping that like I'm not stigmatized when I go there.
Yeah.
So that's one of the reasons why people don't go, and that's the reason why
Yes.
our HIV rate is going up. Because like even though people, and in the Philippines it's the same thing. When they know like, oh, I'm probably exposed, I'm probably at risk, but I'm scared to go to the hospital because people are gonna judge me.
Yeah.
And so that's one thing. This is a message for everyone, especially for healthcare providers as well. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. As a healthcare provider myself, we still have that stigma as well,
Yeah.
and so that's something to work on for everyone, diba?
Yeah.
With PEP, one of the participants that I had for my research. So the reason why he started being on PrEP kasi nag-PEP muna siya. So what happened was he was having so my research participants actually are 21 to 24 years old, so they're really young gay men. So he was like young, he was maybe like
Grabe, 21.
Yeah.
less than 20 when he was engaging, I think.
Wow.
And so he was having sex with this guy. And of course, like anal sex. And during the anal sex, the guy took the condom off without letting him know.
Yeah, that's wrong.
That's not
So that's
good.
what you call. I know that's what you call stealthing.
Yeah.
And so he was of course scared about it, and so he went to like an emergency here in Alberta, and that's how he was. He got PEP. And then eventually, thankfully, he was not infected, and so that's how he got into PrEP. And he's been using PrEP for many years, and now he's been like more comfortable, not as scared, more liberated, engaging in sexual activities.
Can you sue a person like that if they do that to you, just like removing their condom without knowing?
It is my I don't want to talk too much about this just because my knowledge
Yeah,
on this
yeah.
is limited, and I don't want to provide false
Yeah.
information.
True, true.
Exactly. Yeah.
But
Kasi baka
you
magkadimandahan.
can, yes, I
Oo
think
nga.
you can be criminalized or
Okay.
penalized if you, let's say, if you know that you are
Yeah.
HIV positive, and you didn't
Yeah,
didn't disclose, and then you
disclose, yeah.
engage, because that's you are putting people at risk.
Exactly,
Yeah.
okay.
So you can
And
be.
putting
I don't know
our-
what exactly is the process or what the legal
But there are penalty.
stuff
yeah,
around that,
okay.
but you can be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yan. Ito
Yan,
naman.
naman na.
Ang dami ko natutunan. Di ba
Diba?
natutunan ako? Talaga
I
pala, ganito pa
know.
nang gagawin natin.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're
Yeah.
learning. So.
You know
Yeah.
what? Talaga namang purpose natin ito is to be aware on what is going on this
Yes.
kind of topic. Kasi yung HIV talaga in the Philippines, sabi nga nila,
Taboo.
the age rising is start from 16 years old to 18.
I
Yun ang
know.
bracket na pinakamataas na may HIV ngayon sa Pilipinas.
Pabata ng pabata.
Hindi yung mga 25 above. No. 16 to 21 years old po ang pinakamataas na rate na highest na age na merong HIV sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas. Which is nakaka-alarming din naman. Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, kung ganun kabababa yung edad, ibig sabihin ganun sila ka babata na exposed sa gantong
Promiscuous.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Sexuality and
Yeah.
whatever pleasure we have.
Yeah.
Kumbaga sana po yung mga parents natin, since nandiyan ang social media, talagang one click nandiyan na lahat. Makikita mo na lahat.
Tama.
Kaya tayo mga parents, I mean, I'm not a parent, but pati mga oldies na rin naman na pwedeng mag-guide sa mga bata, no?
Yeah.
Minsan tingnan natin kung ano yung mga na-open nila, no?
Yeah.
Kasi may history naman dyan. Baka anak, ito, wag mo munang pasukan. Or magkaroon kayo sa bahay ng censorship. Ano may magano ba yun sa internet na pwede mo siyang i-block yung mga ganong site, ano? So I think makakatulong yon. And sa awareness na ginagawa natin ngayon, personally, dami ko rin natutunan about PrEP and PEP kung ano man pong mga wordings na yan. Kasi marami talaga eh.
Yeah.
Nakikita ko lang siya sa internet. Kaya sabi ko nga, sa lalaki lang ba yun? Kasi pwede din pala po sa babae. Kung kayo ay sexually active
Yeah.
sa mga ganyang activities, might as well consult your
Yeah.
doctor para
Exactly.
magkaroon kayo ng ganitong
Yeah.
protective things para sa inyong sarili. Ito na lang, last question ko sa'yo, Jose, how's your love life?
Ay, segue.
Oo. May love life ba tayo dyan? Ang pogi-pogi mo?
There is, I want to add something to what you said, but to
Sige.
answer kan mamaya. But no, I'm single.
Yan. Single daw po. May
Alam
nagpapatanong
na.
kasi.
Ay! Na-admire agad. O sige, okay.
Alam mo yan.
PM.
Pero nagkaroon ka na ng mga relationship before?
Yes.
Sino sila?
Para
Hindi
mga-
na.
I had relationships in the past, male partners, and but now so like I'm single by choice, because like especially in the last year and a
Yeah.
half, because
Mm.
I was finishing
Busy, yeah.
my
I see.
PhD, and I want to focus, and
Tama.
then I traveled after as well. But I'm open.
Ay,
Is there, ano yung mga ano mo? Ako, ang mga type mo sa isang guy, halimbawa. Medyo light lang tayong konti.
Kasi like
Oo.
intermission.
Alam mo yan. Ano yung mga type mo?
especially for you na to ah.
Oo, yan.
Actually, nanonood siya, tawagan na.
Target lang.
I wasn't brief on this. I feel like we all have that list, I think, or like
Qualities, yeah.
diba? Like I
Uh-uh.
mean, for me, physically,
Dapat bumatangkad din.
I always like someone who's tall.
Ah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not discriminating or anything
Uh-uh.
as well, but just preference lang.
Yeah, taller than you. if
Yeah,
possible.
and then of course we like someone who's cute as well.
Of
And
course.
what's cute and pogi for me is not cute or pogi for you,
Yeah.
diba? So
So, ang cute sa akin, Chinito.
Ay,
Chinito ba to?
Hindi.
Pogi yan.
diba? Like,
Ah,
you know, like,
ganon.
there,
Chiquito
like you
mo,
have your
chiquito
own,
yun.
you
Oh,
have
yes.
your own
Yes.
subjective definition of what's cute. So
Oh, I
yun lang,
love
cute
that.
lang, and you know, like physically presentable, and you know how to handle themselves. Out of the physical naman, of course, I want someone who is, especially at this age, right? I'm 30. I'm in my 30s.
Oh, bata
And
pa.
so, you know, I would like someone who is responsible as well.
May lahi ba? Gusto
I
mo-
don't care.
Ah, okay, that's
Yeah,
good.
I don't
Okay.
care where
That's
they're
good,
from.
Kailangan ba, Jose,
Tao.
doctorate din ang course?
Ay!
Nag-doctorate din?
No. Of course,
No.
that's not fair.
Ah,
to be
okay.
honest.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I would like someone who's educated. And
Yes.
educated means like, you know, you can converse, you
Mhm.
you have awareness of what's going on
Mhm.
around, but you don't have to have like a PhD.
Okay.
Like, you
Yeah.
know, like that's And also like I want who's someone. Ito na, di ba? Ang dami ng
Di ang dami palang listahan.
Ang gusto.
Bagsak ka na sa dalawa. Charing, go.
I think it would be nice. I mean, for me, it's important to be financially mature.
Mhm.
Oh,
I
nice.
think that's a big thing, especially, you know, and
Financially matured, anong ibig sabihin mo nun?
you don't have to be rich. You just need to,
Yan.
you know,
Stable.
know how
Stable,
to be
yeah.
stable. You
Mhm.
have, and because then, let's be real. If you have
Yeah.
money, you'll be able to do a lot of things.
At
and
So
least
you
like
know how to
travel,
save at
You know how
least.
to
Yeah.
save.
At least 720 credit score.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Ay,
720.
taas.
Oh, I didn't even
Oh,
look
oh,
at that.
oh,
And then, but
720.
that's just a little bit, you know, like
Uh-uh.
one of the things. Hindi naman siya like deal breaker. Pero,
Mm-mm.
I mean, more important, I think, from financial stability is
So from all the list that you mentioned to us right now.
emotion.
So,
Meron pa. Emotional maturity.
ayan.
Nice.
Importante yan,
Oo,
ha?
oo, oo.
Emotional
So,
maturity.
Yes.
So from all the list that you mentioned to us, sa lahat ng mga naging ex mo, meron ba sila nun?
Ay,
Nagkaroon ba, sa mga list na yon, nakita mo ba yung mga yon sa kanila?
Wala.
Little of this and that.
A little
but,
of everything.
but you cannot like
Of
you
course, you
cannot
cannot have it
expect
all.
naman. You
Oo
cannot
naman.
expect for
Oo.
some. Again, like the things that I want to change
Mm.
and so learning opportunities.
Oo.
Pero there is yun na.
Of course.
Ex na sila.
Habang tumatanda naman tayo,
Yeah.
di ba? Naiiba ang preference natin sa buhay at
Yes.
naiiba rin yung
but
gusto
you don't
natin.
need to compromise. What you
Totoo.
want is you want.
Oo.
And that's the thing. I tried, so I have like these things that I
Yeah.
wanted, and I thought, I thought it was gonna be okay na. Oh, kung wala
Exactly.
naman ito, okay lang. Or wala nitong 3 items,
Yeah,
okay
diba?
lang. So I tried, and then you realize na it's not.
It's not
Talagang
gonna
sa
work.
list din
Yeah,
talaga,
it's
no?
not gonna work. Yeah,
Oo.
exactly.
So, and you
Although-
don't wanna lie to yourself as well
Exactly.
and make it work just for the sake of making
Exactly.
it work.
No.
Okay.
Tama. Lower your expectations.
Totoo
Tama.
naman.
How do you have fun? What's having fun for you? How do you do it? What makes you happy?
Oo.
Right now, ano bang
Kasi
fun?
kasi lagi kang ngayon focus ka
Oo,
naman
ah.
sa school mo.
Yes.
So how
So,
do you treat yourself?
I like
What makes
traveling,
you
so I
fun?
just came back from I visited
Asian
the Philippines
tour.
for my Asian trip and Philippine trip. So I came back after 14 years of not visiting
Oh,
since we
wow.
moved.
That's
Ang
too
tagal,
long.
grabe.
Oh, my gosh,
Yeah. So
Oh, wow.
and I met a
It's
lot
just
of
about
good
time.
friends there.
Yeah, that's good.
So I like traveling. I like food.
Okay.
I play badminton now. Gym, like those things, like those
Yeah.
little things.
Normal.
For your spare time, yeah. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Saan kanila ma-reach? Charing!
My Instagram is
Yan! And then, to,
Arte, ma-Instagram.
alam mo, natutuwa ako kasi marami tayong nalaman sa conversation na ito at
I
talaga
know.
namang nakapag-share tayo sa community natin about
Yes,
sa
hopefully.
awareness
Kulang nga
natin.
It's
Oo.
too short.
Oo
Yes.
nga pero alam mo,
Pag HIV talaga, it's too complex Talagang
True.
marami siyang
Marami.
facet na
at least yung mga basic na dapat nating malaman, naintindihan natin, di ba?
Tama naman.
Kung gusto mong protektahan ng sarili mo, mag-prep ka.
Yes.
Kung gusto mong protektahan ng sarili mo, gumamit ka ng mga contraceptives o kaya
Yes.
condoms na ganyan. Para hindi naman tayo nag-a-add sa community natin ng mga kung anumang virus at infections, di ba?
Tama.
So be a responsible adult, be a responsible LGBT community. Ano nga yung sabi? LGBTQ? Ay, hindi ko na alam ang ibig sabihin.
May plus
Yeah,
pa
so we
yun.
have so here I wanna say
Sige
as
nga.
2S LGBTQ plus. So that's our two-spirit, lesbian, bisexual,
Oh.
transgender, gay, and plus.
Ay, nangyayari.
Hindi ko alam.
May po?
Sa labas.
Nasa labas.
Sa labas.
So like something intermission.
Yes. Intermission. Yes.
Okay.
But yeah, what was I saying?
Sorry.
What is the meaning of
Okay lang.
LGBTQ?
Oh, yes,
What is the
so
meaning
we
of
are-
LGBTQ?
yeah.
Sorry
So
po,
we
live
have-
kami. Pasensya na.
Our
Okay.
2S, yeah, so there's our two-spirit LG, so lesbian, gay, bisexual, transsexual, and queer, and
Okay.
questioning. Yeah, so it's
Jose,
like the rainbow.
Oh, I see.
Jose, are you open for, or do you plan any more education or educating people or maybe youth of Filipino community? You can do that and
Yeah.
talk about HIV.
Mhm.
Because, are you looking forward like to gathering people and stuff like that? And are
Kasi
you
ang
open
galing
for
mo
that?
eh.
Kasi ang galing mo, sayang
Oo,
eh.
grabe.
Sayang eh. So are you open for that? For example, kami may gusto namin na okay, we have a person that you can talk to and are educated about this topic.
Mhm.
Can you do
Yes,
session with them?
Actually, yes, no, that's a great question, and again, that's the reason why I said yes when you guys messaged me to be here, because I think that's kind of my calling now is to teach and to educate people.
True.
Yeah.
And this is now like like I started with nursing, but this is outside nursing now,
True.
right?
Exactly.
And yeah, definitely. Like if there are opportunities to educate people, to talk to people, like I would love to be there.
Let's say in
So-
our community here,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
Filipino
Exactly.
LGBT community,
Lumalaki
just to
na
give
siya eh,
awareness,
yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Especially with the Philippines, with what you said earlier.
Yeah.
I really like what you said about like the parents supporting and being there for their kids,
Yes.
because that is right. So around the world right now, so like the young adults are the ones who
Yeah.
are the highest
Yeah.
the age group, like about like 16 to 24, let's
Yeah.
say sometimes younger,
Mhm.
are like around the world have the highest rate of HIV infection. And it's the same thing with the young men with the men who have sex with men group. So like the young men who have sex with men, so
True.
they're age
Yeah.
16 to 24, they have the highest number of HIV as well.
So
Mm.
maganda
And
talagang ano.
exactly. So it's good like for the parents to be involved, but also like to be supportive. And I think like having that education, because
Yeah.
sometimes, especially Philippines, it's hard because it's not really easy to
Tama.
talk about
Yeah.
sex.
Tama.
But I mean,
It's
I
not
like-
being taught in school.
exactly, and in school, especially if you go to
Yeah.
a Catholic school, I did. We didn't
Uh-uh.
really talk a lot about sex, and so having,
Yeah.
especially with the exposure, like what you said, in social media, I think it's good to have that education at
Yeah.
home first.
So do you recommend, for example, in the schools na pag-usapan ang
Yeah.
sexuality or tong sex?
try if you can? I think it will help.
Yeah.
Not just against HIV, but other things as well.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
we have STIs as well,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Or even like pregnancies and stuff. So
Mhm.
if our parents can start talking about that at home, that'd be great. With
Okay.
HIV in the Philippines, when I went back to the Philippines actually last, like
Yun nga yung
just,
gusto ko itanong eh. So how is it? How do you soak yourself into the
Yeah.
community?
yeah.
Of,
So that was because when I left the Philippines, I wasn't out yet, right?
No, I
And
mean, no, when you came back, cause like
yeah, and then
How
when I
is
came
it?
back, I
Yeah.
was like, oh my god, it's so amazing. Like, I feel like it's not. I don't want to say it's easier, but the reason why I want to say it's easier during my time, your guys' time, it's hard to be gay because
No.
then
True.
there's no social media.
Yeah.
There's no social media exposure. There's no like Vice Ganda or anything like that
Yeah.
you see in TV.
Yeah.
Pero now there are more. Pero the more they see things, the more they try.
no,
you
no,
know?
no. What I'm trying to say, when you went back to the Philippines and knowing that you have this knowledge, is there a clamor for, oh my God, I can talk and I can tell my story? Because we
Yes,
can
so
actually
now
do that.
I wanna go-
Yeah, because you have that the authority.
Oo
to,
Yun ang
yeah,
naramdaman
oo.
ko ngayon
You
no?
have the authority in a way that you
It's a big
studied
word,
for it.
but-
It's not just because you're adverse with it, but you have the degree
Yeah.
to talk about it. So do you?
Yes,
like,
I would
will
love
you
to.
be
So that's
able to
actually
do
one.
that?
I
Kasi
should
I think
actually
it's about time na
one of
meron
the,
eh.
Yes, one of the things that I want to do is, especially again, like what I said to you guys earlier. One of the reasons why I decided to do HIV work, HIV research, is because I came from the Philippines where HIV is rampant, like what
Rampant.
Pia Wurzbach
Yeah.
said, right?
Yeah.
And so that is one of my goals, career goals, actually,
Yeah.
professional goals, is to connect with people, organizations
Do
in
your
the
own
Philippines,
advocacy. Yeah.
and give back. Because
Yeah.
for me, what's the point of having this knowledge as a
Exactly.
Filipino gay
True.
man?
Not
If
sharing
I
it.
cannot
Yeah.
give
And the
back.
theses and the studies
Exactly.
and
Yeah, because
all
I'm
of
doing
that.
a lot of
If you're
research,
not
Canadian,
want to be in
Canadian
the-
based,
yeah.
and with a lot of people, which is great. But it also would be nice to go
Share.
back home,
Yeah, and
go
share.
back to the Philippines and share. So like they have like
That's good.
and prep also. I talk to people on oh, do you have prep in here? And they said like they actually a lot of people there are on prep as well. So it's good to see
Aware
that.
din naman
Na,
That's
sila.
good,
it's
yeah.
available for people.
Pero
There's-
kulang pa
there
talaga
are
sa awareness. eh.
testing. It's just like they need to promote it a little bit more. They need, I think the biggest thing is to communicate and talk about
Yeah.
it a little
True.
bit more and be okay
Be more
talking
open,
about
yeah.
it
Yeah.
because it will help. Education is really the key. Information is the key, and yeah.
That's
Yan.
That's good.
So, alam mo, marami pa talaga tayong dapat pag-usapan
Ah,
pero
yes.
sobrang ikli po ng oras no?
Yeah.
Ano yan? Ang gusto ko lang iwanan sa mga viewers natin ngayon is yung mag-ingat tayo dahil sa panahon ngayon, hindi na po natin alam kung ano yung mga disease and infections na meron. Pero itong particular na ito, alam po naman natin itong HIV
Yeah.
So once again, kung alam nyo po na sexually active kayo, try to protect yourself and try to protect others. Kasi ang hirap po naman na makahawa pa tayo ng infection na ito.
Yeah.
So once again, in celebration of our Pride Month, make a pride na gawin po natin ito para sa ating community, Mamu.
Yeah. Ako naman yung what I want to let the people know is that educate yourself before it's too late. Kasi ako, I have friends who died, passed away
Exactly.
because of this.
Mhm.
I know people that pass away because of this. And the reason being is that they got infected and they don't know about it.
Yeah.
And there's no health in the Philippines. And most of them are from, no, all of them are from the Philippines that I know of. So, sana magawa natin ng paraan kasi alam mo, at the end of the day, yung mga taong yon na nagkaroon ng disease, may family yun eh.
True.
Tama,
They
tama.
have parents. They have brothers and sisters na it could be prevented.
Yes.
No?
Exactly.
So it's about time, like what I was mentioning to you a while ago. Now, during my time, it was during the 1990s, I was trying to be a part of this. I was a part of it, but it's so hard, it's so taboo. Like, we call it the Outreach Foundation, Reach Out Foundation by Jomar Fleras. Pero ang hirap eh. At the time, akala nila if you're advocating for that, meron ka.
Exactly.
True.
Kasi bakit ka nagsasalita niyan, ibawal yan.
Tama, oo.
So ngayon, katulad na naman yung mga studies na, and sana, ayun nga, alam mo ako ano kaya, i-ano kaya sa isa sa mga, meron tayo
Maganda
kaya sa
yan,
media
ah.
na
Yeah.
pwede
Maganda
natin,
yan,
we have somebody,
Gusto
Next
kong
year
ano yun si
siguro,
ano
no?
si John
Jose.
Vincent magkaroon siya ng
Yes.
isang slot dun sa dyaryo natin
Yeah.
na ano.
Oo.
Napag-usapan.
about doon.
Yes,
Oo,
oo.
di ba?
Napakagandang topic
Yeah.
talaga.
True.
Or-
And with what you said too, Kuya, I think like HIV is still storied as a gay disease, and like
I
what
know,
Jonathan said
which is
earlier,
too sad,
it's
yeah.
not just the gay
Exactly.
community who gets this. It's
Yes.
everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone could be at risk. So I think that's another thing, another stigma that should be changed as well. Especially now that we're celebrating Pride, right?
True.
And promoting the health and sexual health and well-being of our 2S LGBTQ
Yep.
community. So yeah.
Belle, any parting words?
Doon lang ako magpo-focus yun sa pag-open. Kasi gusto ko yung sinabi niya kanina, they don't need acceptance. They just want respect. So, kung may mga saloobin kayo dyan, hindi naman kailangan na i-open nyo. Kasi you don't need to explain yourself.
Totoo.
Just be yourself and kung matanggap nila, di okay. Kung hindi,
Oh,
okay lang
not your
din.
problem.
Kasi hindi mo naman problema yun eh. So, ang bigay natin sa kanila, lalo na sa mga kapatid natin na sa LGBTQ, respect lang. Kung nakita mo silang ganun, it's them. So, just respect and yeah.
Gusto ko lang anuhin to Sino ngayong bagong ano ngayon, Mamu, yung sa news natin, sa Diaryo, Chronicle?
Alberta Chronicle.
Alberta Chronicle.
Yeah.
Kung wala pa po kayong slot for this kind of topic,
Get him.
napakagaling pong giving information,
Yes.
not just the HIV but some of the medical terms or whatever
Yes.
na problem natin na pwede niyang
Yeah.
lagyan doon ng isang slot para ma-explain lang po yung
Yes.
anong yun. Kasi may
Oo.
mga slot dyan for like immigration,
Exactly.
may slot
Yeah.
dyan for businesses.
Yeah.
Why not giving a slot for
Yeah.
health?
Yeah.
Health, yeah.
Importante po yun.
Dr.
That would be
Serex,
nice.
di ba? Pero siya, Dr. Jose.
Dr. Jose.
Yeah.
Ano, Dr. Mang Jose. Hindi,
Dr.
I mean,
Serex,
importante
ah.
yun. Kasi, I mean, itong Alberto Chronicle,
Yes.
bago itong newspaper ng
Yes.
Edmonton.
Edmonton,
Ano? So, kung maaari, di ba, maglagay tayo ng health, ng
Yeah,
slot.
maraming matutulungan
Oo,
yan,
promise.
sobra.
Ako nagbabasa ako niyan ng ating
Oo,
Jaryo.
napakagandang topic.
But anyway, once again, palakpakan po natin, Jose Tovillo. Yan,
Ayan.
Dr. Jose
Jose
Tovillo.
Bago
Thank
tayo
you so
magsara,
much.
shoutout natin yung mga viewers
O sige,
natin.
shoutout muna
Oo,
natin
kasi
itong mga
marami
naandito.
oo. Ayan, hello sa kapatid ko, sa mama ko, sa kapatid ko si Nalin. Ayan.
And
Thank you
hello
so
din
much.
sa pag-tune in, Abu de Vera, RC Kiab, Ivan Resurrection, Nino Cantonhos,
Jackie
Michelle.
Leyte.
Jackie
Ayan,
Leyte,
of
thank
course.
you.
Michelle, ng sarap-sarap, thank you so much.
And of course, si Bench. Ayan, panoorin po natin ang Himi, Gabi ng Musika.
Yes.
Edina
Sa
Banawel,
akin,
thank
yes.
you.
Yeah, Edina from, saan nga ba si Edina?
Kay
Lloydminster.
Lloydminster.
Hello.
Hey, Ruby, thank you, Ruby.
Marcus Britannico, my cousin, thank you.
Aba, ang kapatid
Mexico,
ko,
thank you. Yeah,
si
Mexico.
Carlos Sac, nanonood.
Alam mo,
oh.
pag gwapo, nanonood ka.
Alam mo
Yes.
ikaw Carlo
Yes,
ha.
si Mexico, thank you. G-Boy, thank you, G-Boy.
Mexico and Liza, thank you.
And
Yes.
si Red Villanueva, a very
Yeah.
refreshing episode today.
Maraming
Yan.
salamat.
Thank you
Salamat
so
po.
much.
John Vincent Deo, salamat of my Click Studio.
Ayan.
Ayan.
So once again, panoorin po natin lahat po ng mga may ganap ngayon sa Edmonton tulad ngayong gabi sa Noodle 42.
Oo, diretso kami doon.
Punta na po kayo doon at magkaraoke na po tayo. Ayan. So once again, be aware sa ating surroundings, especially sa mga nagkalat na infection ngayon, no? So ako po si Jonathan. Ay, nawala na ang ating ano.
Do you wanna thank
Do you want to thank anyone pala?
Oh, no, I just want to thank all of you guys. I want to thank the three of you for inviting me here. It's a good platform to talk about this.
Yes.
This is my first talk as Dr. Tudelo, actually. So.
Alam mo, ang galing-galing mo.
Yeah, so
Sobrang
thank you.
nakaka-proud ka.
Kulang yung
Sobra.
1.5 hour,
Ay, thank you
nakakaloka.
naman.
Oo, napaka-interesting kasi
Yeah.
bago lang sa pandinig ko din talaga yung ibang nangyayari. Pero dahil
Yeah.
dyan, congratulations and happy graduation,
Oh,
Dr.
wow.
Roseto
Dr.
Villo!
Roseto-Villo.
Paano ba natin yan? Ikaw na bahala.
Uy, parang,
Ay, oh.
Baby cakes? Thank you, Baby Cakes.
Ayun,
Oh my
Diyos
God.
ko, Jackie
Baby Cake, Jackie
Leyte.
Leyte, thank you so much.
Thank you, Baby Cakes. Ayan. Homemade talaga yan, ha.
Thank you.
Napaka, ano
Wow.
yan. Sobrang sarap niyan.
We're gonna eat it.
Oo.
Thank you
Ayan.
so much.
Once again, we are the...
Job! Well done! Nagpaalam agad.
Ayan, thank you guys!
Thank you guys.
Ano pa
Happy
tayo-
Pride.
See you next week. Meron kami nga guest na
Yan.
LGBT daddy. LGBTQ
Dad naman
Wow.
siya.
Yeah.
Oo, pero LGBT siya.
Yes.
Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
See ya!
Go Oilers!
Yes, Paki.
Go
Five,
Oilers.
5-2
They
daw.
won.
5-2.
5-1. 5-1.